nsema ewo behind the stories ana El Cerebro ediba na fe wo so ahu de akọ ama bibia so etimi akoyenti. The team is fully packed. Jeffrey Asare the apostle so atrasi no pay the obi ntimi ka eno ana the apostle Jeffrey Asare oka what I say Sompa Sports is fully packed. We are here to give you the best live for the Kotel Super Mekatal 93.1 FM. Sompa Emma Aketuapa full-time sports. And our Sugusto with channel. Now, you are the Mr. Wack. And head of your production. And I'm Roland Anthony Boateng, Roberto Firmino, the finisher. And some Tarachi. And I'm Blanston and Takum Eke Orlando. And so Tarachi, and I'm Payata say, Yabo Stima Wuto, I'm not pay, Yadi Promono pay, I'm a Piaston, Yatumakonkai, Yababa Robert Tamones Tomapa, Nano pay, Amones Sama Yate Pano, and Yastam Ketokra. Abrantia feeling Nema da Silva Santo Junior, Mogina Cruzena Martino, Akansembe Constantin, Lino Andras, Messi Cuchitinilio, all destined to Lapuga Tomika, and the former mate Lino Messi, who or see Messi catching us the one to that they were training grounds on one casa, a Yanuma, way a Summer, Nema, as well to try a run off in the 2000 Yamako Manchester United Bobo Kurasoya. Na Manchester United bobo kuraso de masa and summer edia kote power Manchester United no ebetuma pastor abrantie funo Andrew Onana Manchester for commitment tono so nko na fa no goalkeeper mato so nyantuma and from Manchester United bobo kono. All this will be cropping up on the show live on your Golden Super Mekatal 93.1 FM Sompa FM 93.1 FM Sompa TV ente reskanu dikoda no o reskanu dikoda na me pato wataroma ubonsta ubenya Sompa ana fetara 1 TV and also reskanu dikoda na ubenya na fe wetmen jonte Sompa TV o dikoda na so ana fetara 1 enso ewo aye dikoda na so ni na o reskania on Sabeka TV na fe wetmen joy ama bi piasom etma kwe ewo yetuma tene so nya stam ketokra enu tira meka trust ko gentleman dental clinic uram ewo gentleman dental clinic amasa gentleman botuma to say konkuma fontai anopen sa wotienka na sa me patro wonum eyinka enka wonum me patro kasa wo fere evisan kawankawa asese wo so da say o postia ne mo tefo no pa wo se tinam no ayemre efi wo katama so ana afa me patro kaka na edukuru na ni nyina no eye gentleman dental clinic komajuma etiromu ha eno no pemeka trust gentleman botuma pa sa how we nyina no nyankopon befo bo so master o hawa wo femu nyina no etobeta now that dance so aba anafem patron de tenie obu anesino peso sini code anasta solver anasta me patron sino o peso sino o peso what the code be session tamo what as man sino afa ni nyina no ye de na eye pure code any pure solver enti estima wa papa ramu gentleman dental clinic no mo patuma pa wo master vo kama ama bi person get to kweso tamo uram eso ewa preponderance na and then UMP bank ro mo no ya wona so pay pen total filling station no yene matter the school na teacher no gentleman dental clinic patuma at start konkoma for time eye toro taratoro anya sam keto komo heavy pa wo mo patuma wudru aplawa ye pere ko bank no wudru akra no patuma wi ai e won to me ko benya to me down no gwasti 5 junction wudru ko fodua me patrum ye central police station no ono fe sunyane wo bo ye takwan ono fe uram enso e wo tatima so a wo bo ye takwan gentleman dental clinic me patrum no mo eni komo 0559139582 0559139582 ya homa wo betuma fe gentleman dental clinic ko dem perefo esom betuma din komo kama no show ama bi praso to makweso tamo joy came roofing company limited heavy wo bo patuma part stock konkoma fentai joy came no what's the utana we what to lental me patro o purchase papa and a dey crew dana so dia na me catch us there joy came roofing company limited o maso na wo ko kɔɔ no bɛtuma boaw bibia so bɛtuma kɔ so ntamaw ama ɛdan no bɛtuma pɔso kama ama mpatɔ dan no bɔpɔ so a sɛ enso bɛtɔ mfama jamponto no bɔpɔ ho bɛtu ɛnyɛ de sɛ wo nkyɛnse no ɛso bɛpa wata sɛ ɛnwi na akyere ɛna sɛ joy cam fo pɔw da so bɛwa ɛhyew ne nka ebi matam wɔ joy cam yɛ heavy wɔ mo bɛtuma pam ɛnyɛ sɛ ketɔ kwantene no pɛi sɛ wotumi nka wɔ joy cam yɛwɔ IPR ITT afɛ staff lock ana yɛwɔ Erotas Alosink Alofei ɛbɛn roofing accessories awotuo nyinaa mepatɔ joy cam ɛwɔ bi yɛkyɛ kɔ wɔ Kumasi a yɛwɔ Sokoba na Mpame yɛne police station de ti nhwɛ ne mu wata sɛ mepatɔ wa Sunyane Nkran ana fɔ Bɔnkatanga Tamale baabi a tɛkyima no wura hɔ a wobɛwo joy cam roofing company limited ɛyɛ nationwide yɛsɛwo with the best na fɛ bipiam ɛso tuma koe ɛne joy cam fɔdi nkɔmɔ 0551 009000 0551 009000 yahoma obetuma fɛ joy cam roofing company limited ne mpɛrɛfɔ ɛso ɛtuma ti nkɔmɔ mepatɔ bɔmɔden na ɛna no pɛi o broadband na wopɛ no mepatɔ kɔnɛkɔte telestar na wɔn broadband no wei ayɛ fixed telestar broadband abi patɔ so onya bi na wo de kɔ ofie hɔ wo de kɔ wo company hɔ a department bia no ebetuma nya internet kama na fa mo streaming na mo browse na be bia so etuma kɔ so ntama wata sɛ ete switch ne kɔje telesal ɔmo broadband bi na fa dansem eso pa na me ka to sɛ me patɔ old aye customers no munya 300% bonus and of new customers munya 50% bonus wata sɛ of aye data ɛno ɛyɛ me patɔ telesal connecting energies ɔmo heavy wo mo patuma pa nya sam ketokra na men fan to the must no pay so what time ka kona kwaje time heba mr no mpida bo papi na time heba mr heavy pa wo mo patuma pa me patro time heba mr malaria na etokro what I say am patro no pay wintibiti why mramra uti na pay wo bobo this time heba mr o sabe to makabi na me patro no bi a bobo se fi first start e free na fi finish start say free pa bobo se wadoro man patro awonte pa what I say ubetuma titi ama malaria mo no ebe fi mo tabo tatansiam na so de pa time heba mr eye metro time heba mr no eye university wo bietumi no mpi what I say tino no mpi e posto immune system no kama na posto immune system na me pacho obodini eye fe what I say ya debia do club bia no de betwane ade fi ni petwe mo ho betaw de bia posto nya ho dia wo so ya do pa nom time heba mr bi na wono no bra bu popia wan kasa wo tatansia esom ade beba time ni ya time enya sem keto kwa so podo to a o ma mo bebi to no bra no so be ka time heba mr on of time heba mr especially made for malaria na wo podo to a 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 ahoma obetuma for time heba mr mpedifo wonen pedifo that's what to metin koma ama bi piasom etuma ko so tamanya sem keto me patro no pay ma me fonto de Mr. Betway as say or more automatic cash out what I say Betway me patro ucho bet ni wi a ucho bet na was some opportunity say ubetuma set automatic cash out what I say ama me piasom etuma ko enti Betway se ba ne betwa ne di ucho ne se wudia sika automatically mo send to account sum na bi bia ko ye so tamati Betway international wo betuma party se konkomo fu agyan enya sem keto kwante me patro so wo pese wo twa bet na se wo di kama eye Betway se ba betwa ne di na wo twa na wo dia automatically mo se sika no enta account sum na fa bi bia sum e ko ye so tamanto bodaroba eno no promoter ati ana ye ko no fa tabra na stem no eso tap life for the cotton supermercato 93.1 na me patro ko Facebook na so aya Sompa 93.1 FM na wo follow na wo share na wo to message the paro no pay ya bekenkan eso taba we to metere so Sompa 93.1 FM eso no wo Facebook na so follow na share na for message the paro no pay ya be wantuma bibia som na betuma ko eso taba ata senya som keto ko na wantoruma eno no penstoma wo to be ani adepa mame koriyal ba to bobo konemo mame ko etuma kakra e wo riyal ba to bobo koda so ya wo to riyal ba to bobo koda so ya na me antuma me patro ready king ane kalo Michelle Angelo Ancelotti Caleto Dodo na fede kalo Ancelotti manager Edmar Gelman Tumokono, already prepare against Atletico Tumokono, and when you were for Champions League, and he had to run a first 16 game. I'm a Patanube Tomatoja between Gelman Tumokono and of Atletico Tumokono, and when you were for Champions League, now so the key player Bako already to the Federico Santiago Favani Peter, El Hakon Pompazo, to the Fedi Favati, the Patrosia Kedmar Gelman Tumokono, a Brantana Cocopa, and to the Mia Tuma this weekend, Gelman Tumokono. Korakenso Busi, a Branta for the Fedi Favadi, according to medical report, I don't pay, Mensaka Patasa Brantanum, and to Mistakai, and Faber Gilman to Momokono, Namon Patromedical Timno, I show ready to the colors notice that Wamoya Brantan Wetma, Namia Tum, Nasta Patrol, at the state of Nutra, and one now Branta for the Fedi Favadi, the whole sweet Matono, Namo Branta for the Dennis and Payos, or no some Nakokopa, Dennis and Payos Fernandez, as well Cocopa, now according to report, another pebble. Dennis the boys there when you're ruling out of the game and you bet to jump between Yelma to Momokono and of Atletico man to Momokono and team the commander Namia Tumnasta Martin and Paswa so already day and the Kalos not to be dropping a Bronte for the Fedi Favadi I'm a Bronte that's what to be Benjamin Fafaso and Portuma and the Margama to Momoko in the first one never against Atletico man to Momokono so a Bronte for the young Dennis the boys they want to be Tona and then just a Bronte for the Fedi Favadi. Ebetume Jenny Fafaso, just what the Lucon Fifi, now for Brantony Tay, and Lucas Vasquez and Glacias, and so Etuma Jenny Fafaso, and with defense on offer with Tuma Potuma, and so Tamar Gelman to Momokono, and I am a patron ready day, and so the Kalas Loti, one in the German to Timno, the film must yesterday bar, and on a pay one to them, and so Tama here to Matana, so Oko Facebook Kodoswa, Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we'll follow our share, now what to message to the Parano Pebekan Kai, and so Tama here to Matana. So, Mama me abante for the name of Tasova Santo Tunia, Monkey da Cristiano Martino, Torono for the name, the patronema your player, Osiakai, and so to my Santo Momokono, why a former player, and so to my pastor Momokono, why a former player, and my PS Momokono, Mama Casted Nema, the patron 2030 war, that time and a pastor Momokono, when they press the Compiaso, already to the Nema, woman to the Pam, Nama Pantana Bestakai, and so to my pastor Momokono, Nanyo Monqua, and a Mopa. For the name, real man to Momokono, no most when you put the second to the compresso, one more time, a brand for the name of Papa, not for name, I swear to Babastiakai, and some that Ama, real man to Momokono, and then I'm patron name as young photo Pedosa, or come on, Piata Semi Patron Samno, no go Wamupa, that time and I'm past the Momokono, Mania Brano, now get back to put the first one your prepare, real man to put for the blank check, and about to the name. Says he can be a paper one chum function so or more game to Momokono or man ready so many says cano and stood Mama Brante for the Nema not for Nema straight to Messiakai and him about Gilman to Momokono was a Cassican Quadia and Cocosia Cadman Gilman to Momokono now so ready day and then Ronaldo de assist Morera Caucho to know for Ronaldinho no Sakai let them pass the Momokono not all follow the footsteps of already day and so and then Ronaldinho until two more or Cosiakai and some that Emma Bassa Momokono, and Tanaka, me patron ready to the Nema, or no some by a former player to my Bassa Momokono, Wama Montero no pay, and so Tamatuta, Yan want to master Tama, we had to enter the show, now me patron me come Bassa Momokono, so ya, remember more updates concerning a plantain for the Nema, me patron, but also the Finasuya, as to the bar, Yabe Wachuma, and on a person Tama come apart, I'm a person that to my conkai, and to a daughter my time to cool. Neko Facebook so, Oko Facebook Naswa, I have some panel to 93.1 FM, Sompa 93.1 FM. Me patron promo time neko Facebook so wo follow na wo share na fa wo to message to the parono pay ya be kan bi person na betu makoye enso tamo nya stem keto kro no pay en sema wo to pi na ya dempa me patron ma me ko Manchester United mo ko mo ma me ko to makaka enso Manchester United mo ko so ya wo to Manchester United mo ko so ya report no pay. Mr. Protester, a branch of James Trafford, a goalkeeper, Osiakai, and the Mabel Momokono, Newcastle United Momokono, Mania Prensa Quampiaso, a branch of James Trafford, no, Wamota branch of Pamela Messiakai, and the Newcastle United Momokono, reported intelligent on pay, make a Protester, me Patuan Daruma, so Uram, also our Newcastle United Momokono, Wamania Breno, Manchester United Momokono, Sonia Brepasta, Accra we are, your James Trafford. I'm a patron already to the Vestate Gen Company employ. To the investment company no more tini ma pasa abrante way the prospect economy no masa sa akra be sia kan and Manchester United bobo kuna ani ma betu makoye etomo ka akra no wasam na dia to already ten and Ruben Philippa Morim Marquez to no for Ruben Morim ono na ya mane tanoma Manchester United bobo kono oro no som na teto Sompa abrante de Felix Trafford no wade ba Manchester United bobo kono ma ani ma betu makoye na no mpato no pai me say ka report no pa me say ka patasa anya abrante Felix Trafford o goalkeeper wo say ka ma bele bobo kono kwa ana Manchester United bobo kono no bo follow no na mo abrante Felix Gregor Kobel aso goalkeeper say kai ana ma Borussia Dortmund bobo kono ono so goalkeeper me pato de tenese Manchester United bobo kono wo manya brand say ko no say kwambia so sa goalkeeper na me atum na say ne so wo mo de ba enti Manchester United for e beto two goalkeepers James Trafford of Burnley and of Abrante for the Gregor Kobel I was there kai anima Borussia Dortmund bobo kono na na report no pemeseka patasa already kai ana Ruben Philippa Morim Marquez and Manchester United pay for at the Abrante for the Andrew Onana and the Metro transfer now for the person that my question to Manchester United what would you pass Abrante for the Andrew Onana panel will live it up to expectation and Drew Bra also will go keep inside no what would you be the year maybe pass to my way at them Manchester United bobo kono 20 kakra and no perfume Manchester United bobo kono maswe and so ba na Abrante for the Tyler Dublin and so they player was second about Southampton bobo kono when it was Manchester United pay for producer between 60 and 70 million pounds what they to Abrante you for the Alejandro Garnacho Ferreira so what more the second they to so club bipa na so to Abrante for the Alejandro Garnacho am Abrante the kwa what more the 25 million pounds and the cock of Abrante for the Tyler Dublin I'm a patrostic about to bobo kono na sta piano that's what to be kai and so to Manchester United bobo kono me patro Abrante for look Paul Shaw do not for look Shaw Manchester United put for the study so baton already to look Shaw and that's what better Abrante no I'm not free I'm not call na me patro the tedie Abrante for the patro dogu omoko for the free lecture bobo kono no na me up to my next season one and the best starting as a year permanent number 3 ate ama Manchester United bobo kono afa krabia wo mako fano esu de fi Paraguay ye fi Diogo Young sa kono wo mo de ba as backup ate ma Abrante fi Petro Dogu na fe niema straight ba ko e ate na Manchester United bobo kono ate Manchester United pere fo tire passa wo mo left wing back wo de wo mo wie Petro Dogu de Diogo Young and be champion kuma faso na me atuma next season afa di fa faso player mo de ba e ya Abrante fano Giovanni Quenda channel to no fit Giovanni Quenda was that kind of sporting sleep bobo kono and perifoti the processor play away ono any player me patrometment number 2 na fe wetima operate as right wing back no wetima petuma and so to Manchester United bobo kono and to the me atuma next season Manchester United bobo kono no a lot of changes and the betuma koso ama bi pia so to makoye enso to Manchester United na en to ko bi sorry e wo UK nya step to kra already to the young right a former player Adama Arsenal bobo kono and for already turning Roy Keane a former captain of Manchester United bobo kono already turn Roy Keane say Abrante for Bruno Miguel Borges Fernandes Magnifico to for Bruno Fernandes player no nyate they be under the talent and the ADD of Manchester United bobo kono na talent is not enough I was so young player what to be changing yama Eman yama so kwe ma Manchester United bobo kono and then Petro already tell young right say one already tell Roy Keane stop kano one in nyate Abrante for Bruno Fernandes was several Manchester United bobo kono on several occasions I didn't know more Abrante na so na for Abrante na bem what the young call screen so Sompa 93.1 from Facebook so follow nessa na for message ne ba ona for rescue decoder na obenya Sompa TV what the young call for young kosha already tell Roy Keane young right and then to kwa story wo UK young ko he
I'm just amazing. Of course, that's what we expect. When we go back to the team and the recruitment and the players and showing a bit of fight and a bit of quality, a bit of speed in your play, they draw at Everton. It's like they've won the cup. Bizarre. And even the fans, the level of the... I see fans at matches, they're singing for Bruce.
I know someone already came. I know Roy Keane, former captain of Manchester United bobo kono wababɔntene no pɛ so de bɛto dwa yɛde wɔn nsɛm so de ma wɔyɛ tuma kyerɛ so ɛno na mpɛtwɛ ma memfa nto ne bo sɛ aberanteɛ fɛ na Alexander Isak ɛnso yɛ play ɔsɛ kan de ma Newcastle United bɔbɔ ko no ɔsɛ Arsenal bɔbɔ ko no ɛne Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no nyɛ ɔma ni abere paa sɛ mepɛtwɛ aberanteɛ fɛ na Alexander Isak masa awɔ sɛ aberanteɛ no ɛbɛsi kan ɛde bɔ mo ɛna mpɛtwɛ ɔwurade tene yɛn rai sɛ ɔbɔ mpaeɛ sɛ ɔwurade ten ɛnso ɛne ɛyɛ Mikel Arteta Mantran ɛbɛtuma convince aberanteɛ fɛ na Alexander Isak ama aberanteɛ no bɛsi kan ɛnso ɛde ma Arsenal bɔbɔ ko no na mo mpɛtwɛ deɛ tene sɛ sɛ aberanteɛ no kɔsi kan ɛnso de ma Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no a ɛbɛn ne yɛ papa wɔte aseɛ ɔwura no ɛpɛtɛ sɛ ɛbɛn ne ya sɛ aberanteɛ fɛ na Alexander Isak ɔbɛtuma kɔsi kan de ma Liverpool na wɔsi between Arsenal bɔbɔ ko ne Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no so mo pray aberanteɛ fɛ na Alexander Isak a Isak bɛtwi so Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no over Arsenal bɔbɔ ko no nti ɔbɔ mpɛ sɛ Arsenal mpanyinfoɔ bɛtuma yɛ dwumaden ama aberanteɛ fɛ na Alexander Isak ɛnso bɛtuma kɔ dɛ fɔ kɔsi kan ɛnso tɛmɛ wɔtɔrɔ mpatwɔ Arsenal bɔbɔ ko no nti wɔyɛ sɛm a ɔwurade tene yɛn right wɔn abɔnten ɛno na pɛ so de bɛto dwa na aberanteɛ fɛ na Amad Diallo ɔde yɛn kɔ screen ne so Amad Diallo in the current situation in Petro game and not to because of Manchester United Mobokono about what they struggle enough for winning game no yes a branch for Amad Diallo in Petro Koya or first free stadium war and even Koya from a branch for Amad Diallo. Eti wei ayi aberanteɛ fɛ na Amad Diallo wei ekura fa so esu free stadium hɔ aban Petro Manchester United bɔbɔ ko no ɛbɔ ɔmɔden so tumi winning game no ɛno ɛyɛ reporter no pɛɛ efiri Manchester United bɔbɔ ko no efiri ma so yɛ ɛso ne pam yɛn wɔ dwuma so ntoma busuafo meekɔ Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no mu meekɔ akɔyɛ dwuma kakra ɛnso Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no mu na wotoro Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no so yɛ a aberanteɛ fɛ de Trent Alexander-Arnold Donald Fena Arnold ɛyɛ play ɔsi akan ɛnso ntoma Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no wadɔrɔ mpɛtɛ aberanteɛ wei ɛnyɛ sɛm ketewa na mpɛtɛ ɔyɛbɔ to mpanyinfoɔ ni abrɛsɛ kwambia so mo de aberanteɛ bɛba ama aberanteɛ no bɛsi akan ntoma Real Madrid bɔbɔ ko Liverpool mpanyinfoɔ so bɔ mmɔden sɛ kwambia so ɔwurade tena Alexander Trent Arnold ɛde pɛn bɛsi krata so ɔbɛyɛ stand the contract no ɛnso ɛte ama Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no na nna mpɛtɛ ɔma mefa to ne bo sɛ according to news na mɛnsɛ ka pɛtɛ sɛ ɔwurade tena Virgil van Dijk ɔwurade tena Mohamed Mahmoud Maghreb Salagali news are circulating around Anfield Liverpool bɔbɔ ko ne pɛtɛ sɛ mepɛtɛ sɛ two players wei wɔn de pɛn bɛsi krata so wɔn bɛ extend wɔn contract ne so dɛmɛ Liverpool bɔbɔ ko no wɔn bɛ extend by 2 years ɛdɛmɛ Liverpool bɔbɔ ko ne bɔm aberanteɛ fɛ de Trent Alexander-Arnold deɛ probably aberanteɛ ne bɛ fi Liverpool ɔkɔ kɔsi akan ɛnso dɛmɛ Real Madrid bɔbɔ ko ne to yɛ kakra ɛno na pɛn fɛ Real Madrid bɔbɔ ko no efi ɔmo so yɛ so ne ba na fɛ Liverpool bɔbɔ ko ne mu efi ɔmo so yɛ ɛso ne ba na akora bi yɛ fɛ ne Asadi Diao or 19 years or say I can't about Kobo Bobokono. What do you say? Already day and an astro parties a star croway or Jana say Uncle came from a club of Piamano and to start crying lift up and put a football day. I could far cry for the Astani Diao didn't pan off a croway and Messia kind that's what the Bali for Boboko to make a crack. ɛno no pɛi ɛfili fa pɔbɔbɔ ko no ɛfiri ɔmaso so de ba yɛn wɔ ntoma so ntoma bu yɛ ntoma tere so wokɔ Facebook no so Sompa 93.1 FM na wofɔlɔ na wohyɛ na wotɔ message ne pa no no pɛi yɛbɛn wɔ ntoma ba bia so ntoma kɔye mepatɔ ɔdɔ no ma yɛnkɔ no fɛmi nkɔyɛ ntoma kakra ɛwɔ AC Milan bɔbɔ ko no mu woduru AC Milan bɔbɔ ko no so yɛ a wonim sɛ aberante firi Theo Hernandez Bernard Francois Pai Donald firi Theo Hernandez ɛyɛ player wɔsɛ kan yɛde ba AC Milan bɔbɔ ko no wɔgye 4.5 million euros a season. AC Milan pay for the branch that tells us what about the 1.5 million euros and they can where started the contract and from AC Milan could have branch a lot of more way second or no Theo Hernandez where started the contract 1.5 million euros pay and about the cow a branch the segment and now they said the Patrobel started the contract and the AC Milan and no Patrono pay report to the second Patrobel AC Milan pay for what might this branch here yɛfɛ yɛ Theo Hernandez ɔbɛtɔn aberante no amanakɔ na afei bibia so ɛtuma kɔ ɛso ntama mepatɔ AC Milan bɔbɔ ko no ɛno no pɛ report mistake ɛpɛtɛ sɛ aberante a yɛfɛ ne Theo Hernandez AC Milan mpanyinfoɔ de sɛ de so ɔbɛtɔn aberante no manakɔ already tene gɔfɛ mu Okada ɛyɛ technical director ɛdema AC Milan bɔbɔ kono ɛna so montimi ntwɛn ɛma player wɔyɛ important ɛdema AC Milan bɔbɔ kono ne contract ɛma na wieyɛ ɛma apprentice nkɔ as ɛyɛ free agent Masa, wama to abrante na mara kosa na bia AC Milan bobo kono mo sebe to makaska ama bi pia so to makoe edema AC Milan bobo kono etina mi atom na sese ne so na wo AC Milan perfo chisika wo bu tai abrante fritio Hernandez Barna François Pai ama abrante na kwa me patro mare nyonwa ani akaka me patro free AC Milan bobo kono efo ma so ne ba na abrante fri Christian Met Pulisic AC Milan perfo ni abrante ne so to mawie o de pere be sikata so obe extend the contract no edema AC Milan bobo kono about 5 million euros a season AC Milan bobo kono for where extending the contract no and so to AC Milan bobo kono when you start abrante ya for Rafael Alexander Consequencio to no for Rafael yo osia kai edema AC Milan bobo kono basta mpere for my inquiries on abrante ya for Rafael yo me put the pictures na chagu ewo TV na so Sompa TV na wo risk no decoder na for wait me enjoy Sompa TV ewo decoder na so risk na enjoy ana for Tarawan TV ewo decoder na so risk na enjoy TV no e ma bi piasom yet me kwen fama already did Rafael yo past and put for my inquiries. What do you say? AC Milan paid for say the termination clause. I have 175 million euros. It is all Pabrante for Rafael Yoa. Where you see come here? Anybody AC Milan Mokono? The patron just 7 million euros a season. Our AC Milan Mokono Mitano. I have Kaka me patron pay a free AC Milan Mokono from Australia. That's what they buy. I don't pay one to my and so Tama we have to make so. I'm a be person that my queer rough. Abrante for the Tijana Randas. Also the permission cut as a started the contract. Adaba AC Milan bobo kono patraka little details bia e wo ho na from 21st to matrase abrante on the contract extension issues now for already paying any to turn around that sweat man started the contract no atem na ma AC Milan bobo kono 20 kakra and no pay free AC Milan bobo kono e from so so dey ba ye want to so to mo no pay e ye toro taratoro ye da so tin kono so dey so dey ba ama bi pia so to makoe me patro daroma me ko pass bobo kono so ye me ko ejuma for the podium say Uromo basa bobo kura so ya already to the criminal tipping savi aye agent adaba prantia ne tin nema Tasova Santo Junior Mokina Crusade Martino Torno Fer Nema Papa Way was our close relationship with already ten Walla Porter reporter no Pebeseka Porter say already to the Pin Savi I started our lobby already ten Walla Porter for Basa Bob for the return of a Brante for the Nema to Barcelona. What I said, never catch already to the penny service, or person returning, not for second pass a momokono, and already to the penny service. I start here when them pass a board, no, and not for already to Walla Porter, already to the Tesla with the Susa Deco, and Tim Commander Pia, Nema. Say a true timer or person returning a pass a momokono, obstacle be a better my preferred branch and say, on to me returning a second, and from a pass a momokono. What do you say already paying and so hands to flick? On the compare, so branch for the Nema, ever return a Mr. Adama Pastor Bobo Kurodina Pastor, say name of bar, Obenya influence, a lot of your players, the instructions, no, or when you saw it has to flick, Emperor. Already ten them about return. That's all already ten and so any penny starving and then past and penny for much the passes the name about stadium no a brave field just as bebre one more town bars about starting outside Jessica I'm a be persuaded to my quaint about pastor Bobo Kono and a issue I was the bars and penny for intimate trust not for which to be trusted here now reported on a Pebeseka Patterson and me at home necessary Westwa name a person returning MSC kind that about person Bobo Kono didn't pass our unfinished business. As one person of Bobo Kunimo, and team, and then reported on a pay a free pass of Bobo Kunamasio Suneba. Now, branch for the Victor who go Roque Ferrara, to the for the Victor Roque. When you start pass and put form, that's where to be or Coco Second to my Palmer and Bobo Kunana, and you spot to start branch for the Victor Roque. Obetuba Drew Pasol. Now, I brought to this one the medicals. And my Palmer Bobo Kuna 25 million euros as base, as fist. I'm a patrol boss of Bobo Kunamosabaka, and your free Palmer Bobo Kuna, and sort of 5 million euros in bonus of Sababi peso, and to be patrol fees in India. Sika, boss of Bobo Kunamosaka, concerning a branch for Victor Roque, and your 30 million euros, and sort of a patrol 20% future sell on clause. Komane said that Pamela Bobo could to a Bronte for the Victor Roca, the Pato 20% bako, and the Master Bobo Kono, and to be Pato detailed black constant a Bronte for the Victor Roque, our Boston put for terminating loan deal. I'm a Bronte Costa Kain, and the Pamela Bobo Kono, be pay a start a Bronte bako, not from Pato Costa Kain, and so the more real betting Bobo Conitano, I can clear for Bronte, your friend Victor Roque, Fidasoya, and so the Pam, you went to Master Tomamo, and we had to mention the show. Montoro Mampacho Mame already tay and Antonio Conte Tonto Salento Todo for Antonio Conte I am a Pacho manager Adamana Polibokono why a former captain Drew from Bobokono what you say Drew from Pinafore Wamo consider the return of already to Antonio Conte send me to the Somosake or added to the Tiago Mota Antonio Conte Wamosha a year relationship and that already to Antonio Conte and already to the criminality Aurelio Orientes in Tama, a better passes season as well. Already to the Oriental Orientes, and already take Antonio Conto Metro Party West. I'm already to Antonio Contaco, reporter on a pay, Mensakam, no Patasa, Uram, Aswa Napoli Bobo Crasaya, already today a year, Antonio Conte, Aqua, Jew from Bobo Kodaba consider the return of already to Antonio Conte, Antonio Conta Baba Yatuma, as manager, also Tama Jew from Bobo Kono, and team, and reporter on a pay, Mensaka, also Jeffrey Jew from Bobo Australia, pardon pay a Toro Taratoro live on Sompa 3.2 FM. And I was so good with Tano, getting some out to the pen, that's what the problem pay, and yes, some good talk on Facebook, or Facebook, Sompa 3.2 FM. No follow. Now share now to message in the bar and on a payback kind and so to we have to so some payment to 3.2 FM and some our Facebook so follow Nasha now for message in the bar and on a payback kind BPS so to question tamo and we have to so for some TV and some our yeah YouTube and so promote and so to subscribe to message in the bar and on a payback kind BPS so question tamo and yes some TikTok content to the bar now Bronte for the Jesse Rodriguez purchase on Obenya Nanka for the Vinicius Junior was stay and so our Yama to Bobo Confisa Vinicius Junior one of the best and that's the best club we are say oh Costa Arabia Copedia already tell Rote Garcia I am manager and one branch from National Terminal already still front to Peruso Cabo Piate Sa Bronte for the Timo Cotua Nina Brantana Cocodin Comansana me patron Real Madrid to the Man City Bobo Codeponia Brantana Cosette in Coma a Brantana to the Summer return no one Mr. at the branch from National Terminal and we have been already to the Rote Garcia Sama one us would get to the constant Brantia your friend Timo Cotua went to and on a personal time we had to the so Manchester United a possible Brantia for Rasmus Højlund and in 40 million euros and the man Napoli. Now for Bronte for the Victor James Osimhen, Ababa Siakai, and some that about Manchester United, the Bobo couldn't win. I am not a reporter, but yeah, you want to man on a person, we had to mention so Harry Maguire, Manchester United, and Perry 40 passer, keeping Harry Maguire no more, Eja Bronte Feno, Jedi Sancho, and the bad decision. Harry Maguire said 3 goals, Jedi Sancho said 1 goal, a Kenny reporter, no pay, and also Papa for your candle. Yeah, Papa Tim come out, and that's the good talk about me in Bush Mestano, none of Pawina Binoma, Ya Tibia do Kuni Pajani Piano, Impost Heba Mester, and you draw me comfortable saying the Benonum, number Paul, Nebetma Bomo, come on, why you ding. Ya did be Jenny, your Philip Genimo, or person we had day pan at the Beautiful Quachumatia, a Impost Heba Mester. Nebino no what I say, immune system booster, come on what thing, and to know what I say now, wouldn't Binoma, or bar, or de Poisson, Bema, we are why Nina, a tometra. What I say, walk hospital, ya wardrobe. You want no na ya didn't to me call on common water from into the ya didn't to me call na impost have promised I don't be never be na be to my and some that patro impost pharmacy and so elha udro kodia yanimata is a son the teacher kodia the patro panebe tu no a year be drawn as a prof no di no yet told me what is in never to my so the impost about master no what padu to 0246 28 to 496 0246 28 to 496 Yahoma Ubetuma for impost Bamester Nafe when in perform that's what to bet in Kono I'ma be pierced to my me patron bet saver what I say bet to a say or catch on no pay so bet to the witcher what I say no and catch Bonibia for bet to the mo match me yesterday bet no match me yesterday bet no was say waka to say who opportunity so bet me use bet no and so dey feel bet no mo na for what must have bet no no just come play betway what I say betway.com.gh we patcho ho download app no nature bet no na betway there or more de bia or more am be bia so to be na de ba kwa yes sharp e wo betway won say wuti ya na reflecting no work cash in receive na bia bia kwe and so betway no what is all stand what just at football stay here what on some never good tabaja for your set are you ready Philip Nkum Sawaha and I'm familiar the day so ne Buantino Prince Boateng what does a prince want to say
oh Jordan Ponyanko
Bibi aboko dia
aboko Boatino no
Prince Buantino yanko anim sabe ya panyini
Boatino ene na hu
ya panyini yanko Philip oh yeah Bibi are fine
Bibi are fine
yanko paso
fine
anopai am say baby I will find the prince for baby to voice the mood pa
oh pass maka me go straight away yanko anymore
prince any come on
London Football Awards no pass so na something little on that onim say enra awards members na brand FN Cole Palmer and they emerge as the player of the year but amanfo bebre ewo mengan say more thinking about it say Cole Palmer do not deserve it and frankly speaking I think say in a way it is not totally so undeserved or deserve or a part of those people I know meet me agility but I don't think say oh busame outrightly meet me aka say Cole Palmer should have been the outright winner didn't you make us an so where the players say nominate you obenya Anthony Robinson of Fulham Brian Mbeumo of Brentford Cole Palmer of Chelsea Gabriel Magalhaes of Arsenal Mikel Damsgaard of Brentford and these are all players nominate you to be another omoye nominees for the player of the season in the London Football Awards. Didn't you many amount for omoye adwen say Cole Palmer deserve what that same tangent so kakani say Cole Palmer at Chelsea right now and yet one of the players more that much results in recent games. So we are see this season and then he make way the man he continue for
a player of the year and that's a player of the month
a year.
So let's look at more achievements from the specific time
and on American 17 so we Cole Palmer he started very well but the recent air games no the form not dropping so very much but already these players no now someone like Anthony Robinson he has been in excellent form throughout the whole year Obi to say Brian Mbeumo an excellent form throughout the whole year Mikel Damsgaard the same thing Gabriel Magalhaes in a way ono so he do be otimi flop kakra as a ne performance ne drop kakra no asa apeke up just like Cole Palmer the NB because so Chelsea see Cole Palmer in about the last 10 games from Abono Cole Palmer hasn't been the Cole Palmer omunim no you see how it is so for me I think say in a way only on be adwen but one particular thing in so is still the show for Cole Palmer no yen how at this particular season in some clash moments and I say in some moments otimi clutch that kind of games no the match Chelsea one particular game Obeka Aston Villa game no he was the manner of Buama Chelsea etimi take the win the game against Brighton and Hove Albion there are some instances that Cole Palmer able to keep the game to his own self. No, make was score a number of goals at the Chelsea and I say obey make assist for the team. And tia no ye baby no near bonidi. But to Chelsea team no more. There are some players I feel so or more a consistent more than a brand here. Your friend Cole Palmer. Obi to say Moises Caicedo. He has been more consistent than Cole Palmer. Though say I say offer classroom. You be a student bia your exams bia out of 10 papers no emu be 5 obetimi atwa 100 na bia 5 na aka no wanya be 70 65 muni honum be no average performance ewo the rest of the 5 but obetimi nya one particular player on the own 100 ni bi but the results ni nya 90 e be wie no ono na ya better but bia make say you one student some of the exams to be 100%. But onya 100 no we mu no the next one be okunya about 60% and it doesn't make him the best amongst them but the ultimate are consistent with 90% no only the best amongst them and who will be to someone said this particular season he has been better than a branch FN Cole Palmer and also Mark Cucurella but here can you say Mark Cucurella this season was man of the match back for Chelsea a game so mobile. Moises Caicedo crowd will man of the match maybe, and then Kopama nya 5. It is all the American here. Clutch moments no Kopama to me seal the show. And man of the match Mako 5 no. Those times or this still the show Emma amount for any corner so. But Moises Caicedo will be one of the players that always staying consistent and playing out all the games. But on no need still show nintin ye baby any money din. You see how it is inti omo money Kopama decision no omo should agree in a way I side with them but because of the clutch moment Kopama de bema unintia and offer Anthony Robinson mona na me hunu so omo deserve brand in boy mona omo so omo ntimi mount those kind of clutch moments need to say there Kopama de bema no. That's the little on that one. Now yenkwa Italian Serie A nim na mentwa me ho kakra enra AC Milan omo amanfo nsesi form pa omo amanfo nsesi form but yenhwe La Repubblica odin bia ba betudwa omo mfanto sumaye onso okopie mo Idlia one of the tabloids omo ka asema ekwa akire yi pa omo ka asema ekwa akire and odin betudwa say why coach Sergio Conceição choices are unconvincing and that so no and no entirely about enra game AC Milan eneboboko from Bologna boy no. Now so ramu de nti omo say oye unconvincing omo throw the fire at him. It is likely Papa friend Sergio Conceição if results ne continue say won't mean this season no. AC Milan wouldn't allow him to finish the season. And ni for the starting lineup enra AC Milan the ball against Bologna not to so many bi. They feel say the choices be one man or yeah or more crown or montias. Why would you be doing this if you were brought in to salvage the team? Why would you be doing this? And to where the starting lineup there, that's not Mike Maignan a goal post name. But for the right back position, Obabrante friend Alex Jimenez, this is a proper winger. He isn't any way known to the center back, and I said the back line, only known to it. Onye players now do mobile as even right wing back when obet me succeed. Need any properly a right winger. Or more ball right wings nibino. But enra Oshena said the free right wing back and as a right back position, which is Alex Jimenez. And the reason was say Abrante friend Kawaka is injured and also Emerson Royal anyhow and Abrante friend Alexander Florenzi Suniho. But we munina or mobile right back no more. You've seen Papa Efreno Malik Tiao and if you carry Tomori and then Strahinja Pavlovich more etimi check that kind of position able about Strahinja Pavlovich and then Fikayo Tomori as the two center backs. No watch Malik Tiao, but we've seen him play that position and play very well. And why then do you not play Abrante FM Fikayo Tomori? Now for Malik Tia wonko. This is one question now man for Busa. Almost any convincing with the starting lineup. Usha any more so Yunus Musa and other boy as the right winger. We all know offer the front four that kind of AC Milan front four through attacking front four on for Montosini Shadibi. Ubenya Abrante FM Rafael Leao, Christian Pulisic, Ubenya Joao Felix and then Santiago Jimenez or the Omotoswa. We know say these are front four on any day talent ni kutomo. But the last time I told you here, said this front four ne dasono. Laziness as a move because only Abrante FM Santiago Jimenez and a proper player obetimi press up front. Ne biade Abrante FM Christian Pulisic aka ho kakra. But offer obiti say Joao Felix and Rafael Leao, they wouldn't press up front or moon and defend from up front ni be infamous. Enti okwa game no. So Christian Pulisic wo I nim say out of these four no ono na betimi aboa Santiago Jimenez in pressing. Now drop Christian Pulisic Ekobo Yunus Musa, a player who is known to be a midfielder. He doesn't have any relation with right wing. But all the Yunus Musa Kobohono, what are you trying to tell us? Even at that time, all the Yunus Musa Kobohono, now players won't bet me about in the shape of Christian Pulisic or somewhat crazy. But why yes I no? And how do you Yunus Musa Kobo? So who was pressing up front? Who knew you pressing? And in-game management so sahano. Time na game near 1-1 instead of bringing on Tammy Abraham no or ye Santiago Jimenez Frimu and the Abrante friend Luka Jovic in the buy. This season Luka Jovic the entirety of the season was about just 7 games. Only game time bia and about when the last 8 games ni na no wombo game ni bi. So why do you bring such a player? And out of 7 games about this season, just 1 goal no wash. Meanwhile, you have Tammy Abraham. Those who are by AC Milan, ultimately find the scoring boot no. But he's having that experience in terms of air situations. No, the bar. But me rescue. Wanya no. Now let's go into the game. Never the big chances of what we say. for air game no eto so mai na hwe the big chances for mo say AC Milan enya clear cut chances in the first minute and keto mo the ball ne to net they couldn't do it on for video no to so na enya ho adwuma mesrewa very good shade we wo ha say this is a counter attack AC Milan enya so where ya player no betimi ala obe pass na so obe go solo at the goalkeeper na so obe assist but the first two no one for mu bia lobbing the ball no and the best option because na keeper no play and now say obe go straight to the goalkeeper and what try to create a chance an opening for yourself and the last option was to pass or pass here no satam the defenders na ben abrante fence and Santiago Jimenez went me and for ball Antoinette my video no to aso papa e friend Ruben Amorim call Manchester United we have seen what is happening there and now Sergio Consensa also buy no be anim say obetimi aba resurrect AC Milan but ono so enkoye mfama no and I feel very sorry for this man now me we transfer stories ne kakra na me mfa nwie to go back. You know, Antonio Conte no prefer Lukaku to Abrante friend Victor Osimhen and no more Mujahana Kwai. When he was going to Galatasaray, it was nearly done for him to join Chelsea. We all saw that. It became the only problem was Abrante friend Victor Osimhen agree on the payment, the salary structure, and not Chelsea for imagine some de bemano. And no pay and then the stumbling blocker. And me amana PMO Chelsea. And right now Manchester United wants the signature of Abrante, your friend Victor Osimhen from Galatasaray. So I say back from the loan spell now. Now, dear woman, Manchester United wants to send Abrante friend Rasmus Højlund. No more discard can ho e de akwa for Abrante friend Victor Osimhen. And scanner can ho somewhere around 40 million euros. And no more de betimi aka ho akofa Abrante friend Victor Osimhen. Na yen hwa de Victor Osimhen so na release clause dan no see am no ka say 75 million euros. It is all the Rasmus Højlund ekwa. Is Rasmus Højlund born now all bo say and benefit around 40 million na. You see the point here. Yeah. And I don't think say Obiabe agrees say Rasmus Højlund the performance at Manchester United would deserve that kind of money. And I don't think it will be enough. Okay. And say anye enough Manchester United cannot fork out the money. 75 million and fan kofa straight away. And then I want to match Chelsea in Subam no. Chelsea can do that. And for me, I think say between Manchester United and Chelsea, we already know say Abrante fan Victor Osimhen and Kasan or a soft spot for Chelsea. He almost went to Chelsea and offered the two teams, Chelsea and then Manchester United. Team on the project far better Chelsea because right now we all know say we've been complaining. Chelsea only needs a proper centre back or betting lead from the back and also a proper attacker. A striker, I will bet me abangi in the goals from the chance Pedro Neto ko pa mambe cretino. And I think say Victor Osimhen, Manchester United wants him bet. So meant me am forget out the huge sums of money now. I don't think it will be good. And also bet me anya Abrante friend Victor Osimhen. The same thing applies to Diogo Costa, the goalkeeper for FC Porto. Okay. Manchester United a penal. But the same thing Chelsea so teta honom Paris Saint-Germain more. Even Manchester City were on side the same and at the same Abrante friend Diogo Costa is the likely person or bet me aba. The passing accuracy no over 85%. So Oba Manchester City, you know how obesi abo United is in shambles.
But I say, yeah, United. Okay, may catch us a kanjen and not drinking water no jasunya binunum. Oyo ba wa fe fura ensu a betima boy kanjen and not drinking water. Acidic content woman no e wo form pa what I say. Eti oba wonyim na se wo ho na obota hyewa e kanjen and not drinking water nya binunum na bobo na me catch us sa ho no nyina to betwa obi a oyem 13 obi a umoja wo ho abo se won sa ba bia agere wona ba bia agere che so umoja ni ntimi ne afusane nom kanjen and not drinking water for dan cerebra. And so we are there, and so we and a many pedria to be a Jumaye. Bema Clan who match before 1 hour to the match and no can't not to drink water. Would you met no messiah a little? Sa process no, sa formula F. Can't you net there? Can't you so? Can't you never pedria? Promoted some summit to Makabi. Ha, Oko provision store shop will be a Wosabeka canteen. They say we a provision shop. Next a one town cantina. Next a provision or form what I say update no upgrade no. Never canteen and not drinking water. Or maybe we be able to beer or beer canteen. Never open the door to our money 0241 449191 0241 449191 Yahoma. Go back to my friend canteen and not drinking water. me pacho pay a check where Bremen UGC and asa Abawaru Junction so would you busase o pebebia in so near friend kanjen wono will be a better be a bekoye and so jama 4G by 5 a telecell connecting energies what I say no pacho o pe my fire be able to be able to make use the amount of phone laptops and no more once you be able to manage internet a telecell 4G my final and no any Jamaican for the master bobo they say will submit to my cabinet powerful now some get talk 500 Ghana cedi per near about 10 gigabyte of data now they show how far a telecell connecting energies without telecell there is no internet what I say telecell a super fantastic come heavy power Philippine Kumsa Kobina bibia mo ko de
ya mi adom
yeah fear my feel
chale my feel let's myself my feel
Philip me chewe
yeah man starting off from Turkey Jose Mourinho no watch no it's your more ban Jose Mourinho 4 games say on to maintain bench my team for the SK Fenerbahce when him say uko Turkey the rivalry between Galatasaray and Fenerbahce no it goes beyond football because the city now in front of Istanbul no parts Europe parts Asia yeah. City now in front of Istanbul capital of Turkey no parts Europe na parts Asia
okay
one city but then no parts Europe parts Asia and the reason is very simple Galatasaray was the European part of that is of Istanbul
okay
and Fenerbahce was the Asian side of Istanbul and it created some sort of rivalry between the fans of Fenerbahce and Galatasaray. Before the game, Jose Mourinho and the Fenerbahce team proposed the TFF, the Turkish Football Federation, the same as Galatasaray so proposed and the TFF, the Turkish Football Federation. So game way, the tensions that game no more are not shade. Into young for referee from Turkey, but instead no, young for a foreign referee. So what they did was that Okofa referee from Slovenia, or from Slavko Vincic. Referee Slavko Vincic no be handle the game between Galatasaray and SK Fenerbahce. But as the game wore on, Jose Mourinho no here points in the damn team that is Galatasaray. Because Galatasaray no here draw cross still no. I say a top nana still or better. Into no say Jose winnie ya kobe close gap no at the top. Into when no goals na emba no Jose Mourinho ko pass comments ko pass in say players no were jumping like monkeys. Players at the bench they were jumping like monkeys. And I know you racial comments. Now fair enough. After the game Jose Mourinho called the dressing room of the fourth referee. Now commenter Jose Mourinho pass yeni. Also, if you were a center referee, the match would have been a disaster. So when we are center referee now, the match we mean is a baby. And the commenter Jose Mourinho, the fourth official, on the dressing room. Into a cast answer no, and we raise eyebrow any concerns. Make us say verdict in about verdict in say Jose Mourinho more finding on 35,194 that is pounds. That is the amount of my finding Jose Mourinho. No,
I'm not finding the same
35,000 pounds, which is 35,194 pounds. That is the amount you're finding Jose Mourinho. Now, in the course of it, Jose Mourinho no comments derogatory and offensive statements. That is the comment by Jose Mourinho. It is all sportsman. So, in the course of it, Jose Mourinho out of the 4 games, there are 2 games that Jose Mourinho into the dressing room. And Turkish Football Federation, as they are finding Jose Mourinho, 117,000 Turkish lira. Also, Turkey or music and Omudi, your friend lira. So the Turkish lira, 117,000 Turkish lira, who converts to euros and pounds now. In pounds, 2,543 pounds, 1,000 pounds. And this guy find Jose Mourinho. Into where Galatasaray, as a way of Fenerbahce fan. Me sure say I dey no me I'm a Jose Mourinho. And because of the rivalry on Galatasaray won't or making additions by adding Anderson Talisca and some other players including Milan Skriniar, but still to mean catch up with SK Galatasaray. Now FC Barcelona playing for Robert Lewandowski. Says here Barcelona now that is a new agreement. And the agreement is that playing for Robert Lewandowski the age in 36 years. And because there is some sort of gas in him. Gas are cat or Robert Lewandowski muno into what they are doing is that since you know Omani Lewandowski are called unilateral option of signing a new contract, and such unilateral option no and say in this season 2024-2025 season no so Lewandowski bought less than 55% of the entire matches in the season now the contract no could be abrogated and as it stands Barcelona secretly are in the market looking for a replacement for Robert Lewandowski. Names in the Bebre Naba, Victor Gyökeres of Sporting CP, Gonzalo Ramos of Paris Saint-Germain, Darwin Nunez, and also the latest player the Diabem. Akono nyam tipoa no about wabatu akineno. And also they are considering that player. Now Matteo Retegui of Atalanta. Yeah, onye otumi nyam tipoa no. That's so him say the conversion rate is very poor. Darwin Nunez. And I won't carry no. So for now, no, Darwin Nunez is also in the picture. There is also Matteo Retegui of Atalanta. And also Italian Serie A. The top scorer of the Serie A is Matteo Retegui of Atalanta. He's also been considered. Victor Boniface, Nidiye BPM, and Benjamin Šeško of RB Leipzig. The least of it all is Jonathan David of Lille. These are the players Barcelona are considering. But as to say, why they bet me replace Lewandowski Pano? And no, akoye nsembebri because as it stands, Victor Gyökeres or press over fifth Sporting CP because we are bra ball that the Sporting CP now. It looks like to say the performances Bibiano Elbro club from Sporting CP so he needs a bigger challenge. That is why probably Barcelona could get Victor Gyökeres because player now for now only the coach crowd issues. Into one watch Sporting CPR in recent times, games this player is at the bench. Meanwhile, he's the best number 9 in Portugal as I speak. But constantly CP and time more a Victor Gyökeres because boy now expressing interest say or per se office Sporting CP. Now, maybe we have stories with the massive clear outs are and likely say Ebekoso Manchester City. Now, there are players are currently they are out of form. And on my batteries new as a wakoto phone. On my address, phone kofia charge money 100%. My battery in your phone as away you so. But as a stance, no, Pep Guardiola koto phone no. Or the phone do fear one charge my batteries na your phone. No start is so you so. Make us some way in connection with pre-seasonal prep. Now, we watch here at Man City. Players are we the first set of the team. Oh, Man City, the only Champions League trophy, Bernardo Silva, Jack Grealish, a key to Man City course when they won the Champions League about 2 seasons ago. When almost share, see my friend Inter Milan, Jack Grealish played a crucial role. Bernardo Silva was key, but these are 2 of the worst players in Man City team currently. And work outputs, work rates, and form that is without the ball, players were very poor on the pitch. Bernardo Silva and Jack Grealish. And Jack Grealish crowd for some time no ball crowd. The fitness level crowd issue. In terms of stance, it looks likely say in the summer Bernardo Silva and Jack Grealish on beton they will leave the club Man City. Now Mateo Kovacic is not happy. The boy left team Chelsea to that is Manchester City, thinking that Rodri na will prano obeying a lot of game time under the belt. Or started season in the year. He scored that crucial goal against the former club Chelsea. But then, the form nothing at DP. Because of the truster, Pep Guardiola, any Mateo Kovacic, Porto, Echo for this boy, Nico, that is Gonzalez. And Nico Gonzalez, now born in that position of Mateo Kovacic. And Nico Gonzalez, just recently, manager from Pep Guardiola, I be praising Nico Gonzalez. Say, Nico Gonzalez, the qualities be to say the best midfielder when I friend Rodri so meaning say the future of Kovacic is in shrewd doubts on Sana City in check and likely say in the summer teams be back for the signature and I'm not surprised because Atletico Madrid are looking at the signature of this boy Mateo Kovacic already. Now my brother can say be about Ederson Moraes me no cry back coupe. Say I look at Ederson Moraes the form now. DP. Say Ederson Moraes goes to Tina City. I don't think so. Probably form now or recapture ya or do boa City ma City edge Champions League in 2023 season no and that's a 2022 season no or be say the same player and then Ederson Moraes form now they pay and Man City are looking to clear him off their wage bill. And those players are almost shortlisted to replace Ederson Moraes. The first choice is goalkeeper friend Diogo Costa. Now, say City, any Chelsea, pre player. Say City, any other clubs like Tottenham Hotspur, any other team say pre player one. The probability is City in Sabaka Sa player is very high because of the money at hand. And I say the lucrative offer, any contractor, City, that is a player. Unlike Chelsea and the other teams. And say, no, the news coming through and say, goalkeeper, Man City, consider. And unlikely, so be replaced Ederson Moraes, goalkeeper, friend Diogo Costa.
Diogo Costa of
FC Porto, yeah.
To replace Ederson Moraes?
Yes, Ederson Moraes.
Okay.
So, one may personal crazy.
And then the personal crazy
assembly. Of it in
yo
25 years.
Premier League, I said I was settled down. What do you have for pass and Premier League?
Well, understood, but he's going to work under a coach. So the probability and the chances of him succeeding and working well for him at Manchester City, no, I think it's very high.
He has all the qualities.
So maybe a City team no do no. So ko fa goalkeeper on send in Premier League ni so e ba be dem no start so consider o team na o build no. Sabe drop it.
But there is an interesting
why don't look for a goalkeeper in the Premier League
who's already in the
Premier League experience. I will bet to settle down.
Ederson Moraes of in about Premier League.
Ose.
Ederson Moraes of in about Premier League.
Oh, at that time Pep Guardiola no building the team.
Of Benfica.
Me say at that time Pep no building the team no.
But Diogo Costa is also number 1 for the Portuguese national team already.
Okay.
He's already in the class of the top goalkeepers. This Diogo Costa is not a goalkeeper. Yabaka say. Okay. He has already arrived. And at Portugal, no, and then ahead of Rui Patricio. Only Portugal did the 2016 Euros. But guess what? Player this time Obia Reno. I'm predicting this on Sompa Sports. Player next season Obia Reno. Sitting in a back team no. Your friend Claudio Echeverri.
He has arrived.
Claudio Echeverri. Ospodi jersey number 30. Basha 30 jersey. Boy, qualities of Lionel Messi. Or Messi qualities be biabi.
Oh, Philip.
What there? But you the crowd film. But you were free. What there? But me you were free. Inform for Douglas. Douglas for some boy basopa. Juma away and another thing. Now go punch out pa. O messages the dorsal. Or say. Joseph Jane Nana Owusu, they made me sleep early yesterday. I didn't talk for one investment now for inform for.
Yeah, no, they made the home come up. I
said Manchester United problem goes beyond footballing reasons. Team Bear Kureni and Manchester Yato Akumanya Bochawati. So we ask this what I say. To inform for Douglas messages are abandoned. You may other messages through no and some may other messages through no say you call Jessica. What I say to young call mega cash lucky boss. Hey, but say and not want the pa me who papa me and I'm saying mammy call mega cash or namin call Jessica cash in receive. Me say sir message way a time I love you. Cassie receive a time I love you. What I say? Media now what to say? Be double call there. Now but when you Cassie receive no. What a pound chrono? Oh, chance will make Cassie I love you. Must I call and make a cash? Now kwaje what I say? What me say? Sir Cassie receive no. Say e wo botuma. I love you be simple. What I say? Baba Ben is ka won wa. E man Cassie I love you. What I say? Minimum beer, baby beer. Or no, yes, go to coffee. No, my catchers I love you. No, my crack catchers I love you. What I say, not the girlfriend. What I say, she can't hear. We here. Media, some people call there. Director, we here. Also, me channel pa. na sa code no develop and the no show star 426 star now the says appear so now the hash na appears no when me so boss lucky boss no ba be go na wa kasa wa ba ko so wo was na sanfa sabe channel sa was we fight the pet what I say do to me pam no probably na ska go bottom mega cash yanko ya ni media ye ni komo
we dey say the die ye no ye be chia some party for and some party for na wo hwe wo Facebook live say the bia mote enka wo fidi kase we so no it's all about mega cash lucky box mega cash lucky box say can mega cash lucky box and not say ye di sika e na aba sika na ye di aba krum ye di sika puduo man kan say the bia sika e dɔso e ta ho na pem ho ne gina ho nom e na ye di aba say ye nyina ye di ba begu ye butum na kwan ye befa so ye di begu ye butum ni say de bia no say de me kan obi ho no ye first time a wo tie ye obi nso ye first time a wo hwe ye enti de be ne say wo befa wo phone na wabo star 426 star 6 hash.
Tobo enkonya me. What's it say?
Star 426 star 6 hash.
Pankro for the tio, tom for the tio.
Engine me say star 426 star 6 hash.
Star 426 star 6 hash. Okay.
When your boss I call the obey ne say your first time I would did you make deal with ya, your baby's our age.
Okay.
If you are if
you say star 426 star 6 hash na I will me aswa nye busa as what the
first time no a baby say say what the fee say and I'm say NLA regulated into no I was say you will be a what the fee do what prepare na den ho hye say adwumadi we
National Lottery Authority for and the regulatory
okay na de tie ni Unya bope na se page ni bi ma wa ye wo 6 lucky boxes box mako nsia nti your box 1 2 3 4 5 6 now
na dey to the lucky box
the entire lucky box ni say ewiase mu aye na mu no ye say esno breko ni kra obia woni ti odenam me say no me de bia me ka me say me yetire me nyedua enti me number me de nam wiase aye ba ko obi nso number ye mienu miensa enan enum ensia enti ye de amount say this bia sa number si de wugidi wo mu no okofa sika na ode beto akire no na je say ehom de wo pe no nsa aka
okay
so on say de no tie no
lucky box bia bia beto bia sika shem
lucky box bia be choose bia no
sika shem
sa pepepe enti ye mo akonya ne say choose number wo gidi wo
okay
eno ntina boxes no ya anye no box 1 ne anye box 1 no 5 10 ne ye ja no 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 ya ma box no up to 6 say choose de wa wo kra wo gitum say me de me saka 5 we ya me body pemenya sa sika we ya mepe enti no anso wa select box na wo pe no o select ya afei na amount na wo de bebo no so beba ye wo 5 10 20 cedis 50 cedis 100 cedis plus enti de wa ho de betumi no ene wo botomu no na de tie ni unya select amount na wo pesa wo bo na ye adwuma wo mobile money networks ai just wo phone no network now using a registered mobile money and yes I dey adwumadie sika ya ye kan so pese be show botomu yi no cash in receive ya the chan I love you no un se wo semo no enye registered mobile money network a entimi nya adwuma enti eno han so akwa akopɛ telecell eno han say wakwa akopɛ Airtel Tigo eno han so akwa akopɛ MTN no register wo momo now the 5 Ghana cedis pay ato so no select unya select ya afei prompt beba prompt ni say obenya no yie say bo mobile money pin code ni shem unya bo mobile money pin code ni shem na we enye draw
wotwa
unya bo mobile money pin code no a na just confirm say wotwa we no nya draw say obetwan no nsia no num enam yensa ena da bi na Saturday ene this kwasi ada this adwada we peking kran peking kran diwa wudi payment receive no ba beto say green cash in receive na say
I hold dey me pay no
cash in receive no buy na say wo fra adwo amanza na say cash in receive ne buy na me wo fa bia wo te ba bia wo tie me agema ho ano afra na kodonkia wo say akodonkia cash in na bo na say wo mo kwa koyi na ye fia da yi die na ade ba ko ni eya na
edru Friday so ye to the powerful
eya nije nko a na de wo mu ni say obi wo ho no ma ya na ontimi mfa ne no mobile phone no enye eno ane say wo laptop na wo te ho no wa connect ama wo wifi no wa connect ama modem no bibia na wa connect na internet no eno also log in onto www.megacashluckybox.com
Our laptop.
Our laptop in so.
Our piece in so.
Piece in so. No answer while logging www.megacashluckybox.com. Wunya boy na said you see and phone so no. Sa pepe ne beba laptop in so. Na the woman say and on yebema OTP. Okay. That is one time password. Na the tie nie obi wo hono ma ni OTP no correct me delay. Enti no ane say wabo *426*10#.
Okay.
Wunya boss a code na ebe ma wo last OTP a ye send ya won sanka. Obetimi akwa akọ one time password.
Say tibubio.
*426*10#. Obetimi dey retrieve OTP no.
Da bio sabre bio
*426*10#. Okay. Obetimi dey retrieve that OTP.
That's no emphasis number.
That be we dey over any 10.
*426*10#. 10#. No be so. No OTP code no.
Code na ha ma wo phone so no. That is what who code no. Na just we retrieve. Sa code ya ma sa kan ye in *426*10# no. Obi so ho no ma wo bo a onya message. Obi wo ha wo hunu ni status say wodi ana so woni. Wo bo *426*10# na. Ebe ma wo last 3 games ya wabo. Status ni nyina wo ho no. Say ye winner e wo ho. E lost e wo ho. But the team wo ma ani ka sam ni say the moment ya wo be die no anya message kra cash and receive no die delay. 10 seconds crying cranto so a paying crying o message no hit say watcha na no na say payment receiving so to aso eno na ma mega cash ye ndika sam eno ntina amafo bebre ye do mo ho adon mega cash lucky box na free say enya afi na wo kwa akotwen utimi danyane na wo yere house me wura nkra di school fees no waka den say twen me da kakra obi sa no time sa boss say afi na gba ahomache no me sa say twen ebo no nzi a me twen me phone no me bo *426*6#. wo ba be bo mega cash lucky box wo de ba be nya sika ne nkwara no cash ni ba so na adwo amansa Beatrice bi eye mobile money wo akire ho no
mo kwa withdraw
kwa wo fa Beatrice ho no na te so kwa kwa withdraw no so on say the business in the city da ho no emu da ho no mo trodo de onya no so bebo *426*6#. Na te say mobile money no na your friend no cash in receiving na ba be go phone no so na ni kasa be ba mo ho beto na te say
cash in receive
adofo ene wona de bi omu hu sika ba on chon betwen abe on no mega cash na be ma sa sika na ba obotom nti ene fia da ide ye ka kire obi a say obi anfa no ho hye mega cash dwumadie num na no ye be yi ye nua ba Priscilla Asamoah 30,000 Ghana cedis sika na wodi ye no enkani sika no 300 million
what is can ekwe
eye Christmas bonanza na ye no na Ghana sika no pepe 100 million 30,000 ene da so in fact ye nua ba Priscilla Asamoah a wotie say o Accra o Teshi dwumadie no ye di no Kaneshi market Accra NL mpanimfo baaye media stations ye no mo nyina ye adwuma baaye beteki last time ene da so no ene sa me ne esre no na te say sa da no na me media me ka kire ne say so oni akodonkue bi ho no masika yi die
saka okwa
wo ma ye nche 30,000 enti ye nua ba no ene oda so no Priscilla Asamoah ena me so me na me ye ne lie no se de isi be ya 30,000 no at least so ma me mu 2,000 ha na me ni di wi a na ma sa akọ no ma kwa akọ mu 2,000 ye wi a ne ahwese ye beto aso ana ase ye nto aso ene sa me ka kire na wa wo hwe mfoni na ye nua no wa asere sa obi bisa me na no so wote ase ya na no de me nkwa na minim ma je me chefa so wote ase o so wanti ase o si e betimi ato aso enti code no wo ho no *426*6#. Unya boko du ya ye nua ba ya kwenye ya wonya ya wodi 30,000 Ghana cedis 300 million wo so betimi a free say mega cash ya ba say ye ba ma asetena mu ayemre dwumadie we ne ye ba ne adisika ba be obutum ye ba say de be ha abrabo na emu aye dia ma ho no ahohare abamu
say here wa nipa be dwane but here wa mega cash be be
oh ye ba sika kese mega cash ye say deep kakraka na tena se kakraka enti ye nua bai no say ne mpai ba obo nyina nse nyame be hira no na wanya sika enti wote mega cash a wode no ho hye mu no 30,000 Ghana cedis afen wa wi SHS o
wow
sika we wode koye investment wode koye de wode bi besie no de bi atoa ne school so enti papa wutie mi e ma wa ba mu eno an say wa bo code no *426*6#. Wo ba say your first time ye baby sa wo age wo bebo wo mfie na wo die no 18 years and above. Wo 6 lucky boxes choose box ya wo pe fasika wa ho de betumi 5 cedis 10 cedis 20 cedis 100 cedis 1000 cedis. The bigger the amount of the money now the better so no the bigger amount of money you will win. And to sika kase no na be kire sika kase ya wo benya it is up to 5 billion Ghana cedis.
Wow.
And how betumi adi 500,000 Ghana cedis. Enti yaba see yaba be chiche sika yaba see yama kuruma hede. It's all about mega cash lucky box.
But I say yes, mega cash lucky boss. Yes, I'm good to talk. But say here wa mega cash. Ebe hiano and twaso. Obe che hiano so. No more sika mega cash lucky boss. Where simple *426*6. What the hash at twas no be so. Almost on lucky boss options. Remember, no one bought 5 cedi pair. Once as a kaba be good bottom. Instant resource, instant cash receive mega cash channel na u channel dia bibia be koye eso dama Godfred Kumsen or say boss it is me pinto want to say Joseph and Jane and Awusu or say Yawo Felix okay John Boy or say sports can thank you very much. I could see a taxi driver or say yesterday on the State of the Nation's address I did not hear Mr. President talking about hooliganism in our football is killing our list. Paul, may your soul rest in peace. I could see a taxi driver. Good morning. What to say? Can ever or say weekend booking codes. Okay. SK Nyantachi or say more fire or say your Festus. Shout Apollo Wazi or what to say or say from Atayo Drabin Quantana champion. Let's talk and keep the good work up. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire blazing, okay? Eric Apia was say update me on Chelsea. Joseph J. Nana Wusu was saying name up Barcelona, okay? Odani Ventures, Macro Giants, Dr. Odani want to say was some of Ghana sports presenters are hypocrites, okay? Accuracy, good morning with Brekum, Bibiabo Cordier, was say heat, more fire. In front of Douglas, I say Hansen Flick won't accept Neymar da Silva, okay? Tite Ferguson was say good morning, latest intelligence, foreign news, encyclopedia. Media, Tite Ferguson want to say Udru, Moshi Zongwa, Obiasa Sompa, and what thing, Joseph and Jane, and I will say a similar dear. I will say that to the Kai. Investment Douglas Costa say keep up the good work, okay? The golden boy to the message Apostle Fire and after Tamati down to attend was say good morning. Foreign news encyclopedia. The show is live and clear. Inside Abuabu BP, Hajia Afriwa Johnson. Thank God you are back. I am back for good. Nyakopon Sharpa. The message is no a dorsal Papa Emmanuel there was a good morning. Watching you live from Bremen, Germany. Okay, thank you. And after Mahu, a lot of messages said by now. Go to one more question. Was a lot talking. The heat is too hot. Okay, and after Manchester was a good morning. Watching the show live inside Tano. So let's talk. You are too much. Updates me on Manchester United from passports. No size. On this note, we draw the curtains down on the foreign discussions. We go for quick commercial break. When we come back, more talking to be done. Sompa, full-time sports. The heat is on. Your best is here.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll buy it.
Brother, and not so beautiful. Ah, what are you
Wanya Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, do this offering now.
Bra, some because I need the time about Mr. Huadancia, reassigning a better maker, and to say malaria, what run it time about Mr.
I know go, dear, no more to want to meet any jail. What run a time about Mr. A great and your map or bar waffle through, dear one map or down for any aquada when you feel do me, and some of the time about Mr. Drain. She's a walk hospital and answer loud. I'm what we said. Oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziba, a woman, even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA aji a judging crotway at home.
Abusaka kakabi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo me say abofrake to wanya 2 years aka dai ba kum inti African Spider-Man bla be abofrake to em wana nipa ho hia dede bi koso anu ti kame ho ne ko hede wo bia yenya expectation ka African Spider-Man e ba be sebo abofrai ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be sebo abofrai na wo secret kura no anything Imboost herbal mixture and only me secrets. Na dia na ye. Na me yetua na ma nkeka e wo fom. Ana police me di one dance tell me say menye na me nso nhwe. Na me so he no a boost immune system. Ama say me train na mente bre. Metimi di kama. Ama nkeka wo dum so ekoso. Me kura so me ta yale ama mai latitude me nya baako. Eye je na koso he. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing? Mo fa me kura chen.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and also herbal shops. Apim for any color mundi if you do me no enom. FDA agigade nkatwe atu.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows, cause our grit be the future. Join Ghana Grows, this be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows, cause say you my day for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows, Ghana Grows.
Kuya yomu pekwanya ubefaso nya adwuma ana ati adwuma ku a mfaso woso ewo kuya adwuma mu ene ATVet mu enne ya so anamonne fasti sawo wabusua ene wo mpatemu asetenemu bo star 718 star 50 hash na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Hope Day Ghana Grows Jumedie Mastercard Foundation ni Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse ni wabuafo na Debro
Mamenhye time HH herbal mixture bi na wonumi ene wa tadropa eyadro se emani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan no akwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebetwaso no wono a ene the time HH herbal mixture e dia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfihye dumienu anum bi wopemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso anum bi time HH herbal mixture wobenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture eyadro say FDA age edwadie nkratoi atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Whitehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. saver.
Yadama say, Yada who buy, Yababa Twaso, Diamomo, Sompa full-time sports, no Asugusa, which no money in a single. Atase, what dear fish some details in at the app until I make a toss, a winner gas, toothpaste, Libya. Master Fetcher will say, now a bubble snow buying was still a home by den. Yes, and yeah, when I'm double what you say, when you're the toothpaste, when you're too brass, no, now the drone to so come out what you say. I said, yeah, cantino. Now the teacher was saying, to yes, no, brass in my way escape for rural was sending time, na a peer a fibia, now for a drone so to my ball was sending by my son, why you ding. I make a choice there. Now, yes, toothpaste, and only yet in whitening toothpaste about yet the yes total care about, and after the yes herbal toothpaste, also about kama. I just wouldn't be any paste here. One castle that dance any bar. Tibia, Uber Borabia shopping malls. I would do it now. Your car was open. Yes, now, yes, maybe I'm a piano. Was some kind of toothpaste now for the toothbrush no way you so let me be a tobacco so demo yes near yes what's our pet of form say na oko was so bear say nasta get talk open the to 02 03 0223 6296 aya homa beto ma fra yes and perifona fe what about two the other fe also there are several clients come ama bibia that tobacco so demo yes when we have power budjuma and yes some talk hey ordin herbal bitters no we are branching so we are ordin herbal bitters yeah what should I do and no obo herbal and medical research center the diaba we are bema utrum paso na kwakodana na sesama na ordin herbal bitters maybe we boss mema me chairman is abo hu de crow not as here and no bo sunkum da bo pampolu pa we dey dance here and so e de beba ana fei me pacho prekasa powder no so jaso nyabino no e boost immune system no ahoɔden no ebeba me pacho just ya prekasa powder no won sentiment kabia no obo na diaba obo se wonam ho wa beti ene wo kon de bia na yegire wote yaw e wo beti no wo kon a bobote so betu rom obo heba no fa kwakwajo ayaresa diabetes hepatitis stroke ana fei ulcer ne ya de bia dukru ni padwe ne bia fru tinyo so kopom na se eno eye me patro obo herbal and medical research center ho na wo kona fei yetima sho kama udu akra ye wo kasoa official town be wo ye chakwan kumasia ye wo adoto dumenu obo obo e chakwan ana fei udu nkransa me patro ye wo odra kwano so ura ho a me ka to say obo be shaw bibia betuma kweso damanu obo herbal and medical research center. Any komo 0249 761508 0249 761508 ahoma obetuma fro obo na for obo so etuma boaw ama bibia som etuma kweso demo obo etayechi ye ba be ram ye the system no details ni nyina esom ye the ebro kama ama bibia so etime akoyenti amount obo de we heavy pa omani nyina stinko atrase Sinkum Patron, want to say, oh, Namiado, Bibia Boko, dear, but what's about for cancer? Oh, yeah, Baba Rum commenting, some of what Bobo, no young corner, if you go. Okay, let us make that one, His Excellency John Dramani Mama, and the first State of the Nations address in the Basso. Now, Odinkomo Piva Blasters, now, Ozzy says the Blasters, led by Ghana Football Association, get to Krikunum, woman the budget, air coma by now. Any kwan say kata so as on mine no menu mienu ina ehu de ewom budget no de koda efe no as a Ghana fo ina ehu no me wo budget nim ansa na omo de abre aban no na aban no so de be adwuma o de adwuma yenti nsema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama to yenim.
Next month the senior national team, the Black Stars, which is now a pale shadow of its former glory, will play 2 World Cup qualifying matches. I've instructed my office and the Minister for Sports and Recreation to hold the Ghana Football Association accountable to the people of Ghana as we prepare for these games, especially regarding the budget of the FA. There will be no secrecy in how much the government spends on the national teams. The budgets presented by the FA and other sports associations must be known by the public. After all, it is the taxpayers' funds that are used to fund these activities. The reduction in government expenditure and waste reduction applies to all sectors of the economy, including the Ministry of Sports and Recreation.
And the way His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de do to any me de won se me de mamo. Na John Dramani Mahama nsem no to so no de to dwa se omo be si new sporting facilities e de ma regions for na ye create ni na no. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say omo be sporting facilities de amomo kama pa yenti nchiremu a odema efa ho.
Committed to refurbishing existing national stadia, completing youth resource centers, and constructing new sports facilities in the new regions. We'll also prioritize community recreational facilities to foster greater participation in sports at the grassroots level.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama de tu eneme de won sema de mamo. No see inter-school competition nso omfa media kura omo beyan wadwuma yie no mo make sure so omo nya talents e de afro yenti His Excellency.
Recognizing the critical role of youth development, we're implementing a significant overhaul of grassroots sports with the establishment of the School Sports Authority. This body will oversee structured inter-school competitions and talent identification initiatives essential for nurturing future sporting champions. Over 60% of Ghana's elite athletes have emerged from these school sport programs. The ministry has now been renamed the Ministry of Sports and Recreation. To acknowledge the significance of recreation, we will launch a National Recreation Day. This will be a monthly initiative centered on community engagement alongside an annual National Recreation Festival. These initiatives will encourage keep fit activities and promote active lifestyles. It will promote traditional games and strengthen community bonds.
John Dramani Mahama de tu eneme na no pai ya don sam adema na no si ya ani ebusa Mr. Kujo Fiano se ensama odo anura Ghana man pani de tu dwa se ye the budget e koma na hu benya se enye katasuma muaso bia na mu se o mani nyina hu de o budget nim no e de na o ka de afa ye ntensema former GACA chairman Mr. Kujo Fiano ade tu enim
se we are na juma na we say we boss be small say ko be cover assignment so be ma wo de yaba we estimate baba ya hwemu asa na wako a company sika nti wo ko ba so we bu akonta be pepi no we call tournaments ya be ba no see we be ba so on the when accountable to parliament but it's only accountable to FIFA meanwhile no anya FIFA sika na odiko bo no Ghana for sika intimidate o mampenyin kasa make say waka ni yie because in pepi e be kwa ba you see your course yes sika say we be sa budget you see budget there is not for public consumption meanwhile no sika na your public there so inti o mampenyin kasa me there me fuaso
when nsema Mr. Kujo Fiano to dwa na no chi no say or a politician anti politicians de bu a obetima aka asem na mom so ode be adwuma ne hiantie mom pa se asem na waka no ode be adwuma yentie Mr. Kujo Fiano
yeah they be a politicians omukasa are different by implementation are different and you know by never boss asem ma penyi kan no or any minister of the be adwuma na me worry shim so say obeye
Mr. Kujo Fiano to dwa na no achi no say new regions are just ye basic sports facilities papa de amom no so no say eno so hopi say mezi dem pa bo touch se na be ya mampani ade be ya dwuma yentie no
na so nim say you see Premier League aye boy kora no park no so ye stadia papa no so ye pa na me po say eno so be because party ni cause of manifesto mu this was a becano bit of the nation address mu there na just say idea 1 minute over here say regions for they must also be developed to catch up with Greater Accra, to catch up with Ashanti and the other regions. The more facilities we have, the more talents we develop.
Sama former GACA chairman Mr. Kujo Fiano de tu yanimna Alaji Karim Guza ni ebusanz opani sembi say ana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama dia tu yanim say the budget no ye de komo ma
Omani nyina behu de o budget him na sasemi Alhaji Karim Grusa de ana waka de afa yente sama me sa Grusa de tu yeni
kan transparent ana de be no muka o bi na kan say ya di yamma bibia ni na yen na ya timi ayma kana football ay ka be fe so
when nsema Alhaji Karim Grusa de tu bia de won sama de mam na no achi no ze eba na sa juvenile league na ene sa nhye no mampani pese wo ye ni na ose ese omampani di se different bodies ani kwanza omo de ma efe no na se omo de ma efe na je se omo no mbend omo pe omo ha be se obi a o place na kro omo fa omo use omo do ma ayedwuma de ni na agura no abaye omo ho na fofo na bi no omo de omo ye na mum so omo de ma different body a ogitu mba se omo betima ye no ma nhyehyɛ ye ama sa juvenile league no etima ya kama na talents ayepe no ye nsentima ka bi
ima ebinu mo anka beye pache no ajeli because say they see yes coach symbolic be a friend coach coach symbolic who can start regime ben first then o ma penini as I say out of a friend FE na FE ni dia sa ben be apontia no aponti no meti mi aye ku so ama emete obi beye se opese woye na woye place enko ni chief no won koton as FE president ana FE member as say aye open
Alhaji Karim Grusa de tu ene me de won sama de na Georgiou former goalkeeper de Kumasi Asante Kotokoro di tu jase ye league na nyefe enya akono bi because players no chese onya season e bia one fine season bi no modern so ani wo bia season ba kupe mu pe ne watu kan wabuna keteme from anim ti de bia na league no e ma na nya attractive yenti nsema George Kigalio ari tu yanim
Economic so many sponsorship number one. Make it be your sponsorship no the sponsor clubs no. Now be a fine. Unfortunately, never be now no in Ghana League. And so now we stay Ghana check. One to be no to conquer outside. But for now, we say the Obi developing the Canadian matter. You don't grow we Ghana League in maybe 6 years, 7 years, and so on. And we're not matter because sometimes clubs and so we feel finance finance team into also turn players and the more you keep the players in the country normal league so you're interested the country but always more
okay, the way and some George Kigalio would to any man don't want them na Charles Amufa 1 year NSA PRO din ZMP dia tudwa the all can say Accra Sports Stadium na ready a betima host international match bia title Ghana gamer yene Chad airball World Cup qualifying matches nim yente sama Charles Amufa no ye NSA PRO Accra or the two yenim
That's for stadium na football kwa na yedi adwuma wa han mo hwa other sporting discipline national teams for other disciplines i.e. table tennis boxers basketball no money volleyball ni handball omo nyina use facility no enti ye nipa wade omo nyina use washrooms but metin aka se pressure ni ahanmo yen sanitation officers are more on the ground yes also private company Elsa use company or more ye normal ye free embrace santi and they be a normal saw enti Accra Sports Stadium the meeting aka say directive ministry no at the my say ye close no down for purposes of international matches for now.
Okay, we and some match as I'm 42 and none of pay. You don't want some at the Mamu Jumedu na Sir Gilbert. Uko piemu Ashanti Regional Inter-Schools and Colleges na Superzonas no on the MY de pa course of Abara Sports Iduma and Yagro cry no Sir Gilbert or no Prempe College athletic coach din say PD atudwa say ohwenim say kwan bia so no o betime defend Suzono na bibia ye fan yentie nsema Sir Gilbert and the two yenim.
So far so good. I think say last time I interview me can say yes, target super zoners, and clearly we say from 200 meters the only school that had 2 competitors in the finals. It's say their plans in is in the right direction. Sure, I can say it because the likes of Okes, the likes of Hamas, they are all pushing as compared to last year, but it is rather pushing us to run more as compared to last year. Are doing better. The time they ran last year as compared to this year, is far better than what we
ene nsema say go bedi to ene me de won say me de mama sanso ana say shaibu ko piem wo St. Louis on ya Atletico no de atuja say ono so ene say on betima gi ato aso emprensa yentie nsema coach I friend say shaibu ade to ene
Adumani dey here half of it ye hwe events that ka watch na no and we share event now so far ya kwana which is triple jump, long jump, short put and high jump. Still Louis is leading, but I can assure you say me aduma watching now by this time no mbese wa na am say Louis akama say victory catch mo nyina say dey bia mo bompa ya maye here because the supporters am ko so support you e won pa ibom omo outside nyina ye nim pa bo mo ba maye physical cash am dey maye e support you ye da mo say and our headmistress yent me en ya aduma mra ya mboni di.
Okay, let us see. Yenyina so na nsema do ebobo andi free field ba no. Yemfensia na one abidafo nhwem.
Okay, Cinco de Mario and the attendant kano ye ba be romu pa nsema omampani dia to jaro de na was the to be romu pa de ti komo ye nia bre pa. Na sam ke to akranti ye ba be romu details no wa ha what I say. O say GF no udi wo kwan say wo tam budget bia na de aba. And as when you are, I was saying, what to be more public, no beer, Sompa. This is the budget. What I say, aha, Obi to be court tournament. No, I could this car, or we are, or this car said the court tournament. No, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama says, how then the team tone time, or no, not buying so pass and say, baby, what about dream? Now, some good talk, continue, Kobafu Polo. Now who could declare about the ten was a Saturday and now the common penny and be able to win a favor. What I say, Buffalo Polo there, the entire affair, what's that? Baby, able to be able to favor. Oh, where original African prints, and what their polo shirts, and what their bar. Till be able to be the court, which to be the court parliament, which to be the court, which to be the court wedding, be able to be the court, Buffalo Polo. The entire year from a pa, and you be that surprise, I shall know what I say. Said yes, you do not because you are drawn. What I say about who you fair, we are simple. Buffalo Polo and Tadi and American for the boss. Bomote sound submit to my can wear polo t-shirts such as Oba to Mission, Bema to Mission, Credit to Mission, be beer, come on, pa. Your platinum package, your diamond package, gold package, silver package, bronze package, Buffalo Polo said, bro, best ever come on. I hear Marco Kobe 18 moon number who Buffalo Polo, one in Buffalo Polo 18 come on 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 Yahoma. Ubet my friend Buffalo Polo na for the netting come on cloud internet sabra wa jumano ufie ho baby a person di internet ko bia nanu mi huma dan fu bi wo so ma ko dia sase bi wonura bi mu mo de kwa kwada say and the meeting ne mum ye here internet na so okay and ye cloud internet what you say enura mu kra no cloud internet internet be ma internet mo betim dia Facebook mo betim dia browser mo de stream bi bia betim ko de mamo ona ubie company na so u pay internet baby a person di internet ni ko bia department bia me patro cloud internet ba be ye search man so de mamo IPVT installation ye woduma pa CCTV camera installations ye woduma digital security law ni nyina no me patro cloud internet be ye ho djuma de ma ye che kwan e wo top high wo abrosana kuma woman bank wo mu no ane love fm edin hwemu no hwani mu no na obehu cloud internet ane ni nkomo 02026 991100202 99110 yahoma obetuma frɛ cloud internet afei anɔpɛ wotimi nka woto ase twetwɛn aso sisi asɛ wo pɛpoma kora de adante mepatwɔ gram ɛwɔ 21st clinic yɛyɛ sciatica expert what aseɛ saa deɛ na ɛhaw no yɛfrɛ no ɛyɛ sciatica what aseɛ no mepatwɔ gram ɛwɔ 21st clinic a ɔmo tene tɛ ɔmo sɛ wo sisio ɛkɔ so woto ase ɛtwetwe nyinaa ebetumi stroke abra obetumi bubu agu no sciatica expert 21st clinic mepatwɔ wɔn bɛyiri nyinaa firi hɔ ama bibi ɛtuma kɔ so dɛm ɛbɛrɛ lab and scan service a yɛn wɔn adwuma afei massage ɛna afei machine treatment nyinaa no yɛn wɔn adwuma wɔpɛ yɛ kyɛ akwan a woduru akra yɛ ɔdɔmi market sunya no bɛhu yɛ kyɛ akwan nkransa wobɛhu yɛ kyɛ akwan tɛkyima no bɛhu yɛ kyɛ akwan ɛna afei wuram nso wɔ boase court junction no bɛhu yɛ kyɛ akwan kumasi a yɛwɔ ɛhɛn overseas ɛhɛn overseas baabi afa radio no wɔ no yɛ bɛn afa radio wɔ ɛhɛn overseas junction ne mom baabi a 21st clinic aba no hɔ na Sompa FM ne Sompa TV yaba enti ɛyɛ easy to locate us nti bra ne yɛnhyɛw na bibia ɛnkɔ yɛ mfama ho 0540 311 0540 yahoma ubetuma ba 21st clinic anaso ubetuma frɛ na afei yɛne wo naso wetuma di nkɔmmɔ Dwenti college sabra school no ɛwɔ kumawu kwanta na kumawu no nkɔ hɔ da ma menka ho asɛm kyerɛ wo ɔhɔ no weather condition yɛ different from Ghana bia kumawu ɛhɔ de papa mɛsɛ mframa ɛbɛfa ho no woyɛ akora no so wɔbɔn sɛ deɛ yɛ mframa no bɛmu hu adeɛ wɔte ase nti wuram ɛwɔ Dwenti college wobɛhu school yi ɛwɔ kumawu kwanta mepatwɔ SHS 1 2 to 3 admission gu so ɛkɔ so Dwenti college mepatwɔ yɛyɛ science business visual arts ɛna fɛ agric science home economics ne nyinaa no yɛyɛ ho adwuma nti woyɛ akora na sɛ bi a wokɔtrɛ SHS nsɔre no final exams na sɛ wode wɔ hɔ a bɔmmɔden sɛ wobɛwura mu Dwenti college wɔte aseɛ yɛwɔ teachers a mepatwɔ mbɛtuma cycle wa prepare for the final exams ɛma wode nkunimdie de abrɛ w'awofoɔ Dwenti college chairman of Chikapa na that school ya no omo record na ho say akra bie no a wa babetwe ne SHS final exams no ho a wa faili obi atwetwa na for kosu apom na bibia tima koyi ti ko Dwenti na fe yenche wade na kotwa SHS final exams no na fa dance the brand 0243 721 659 0243 721 659 Prince stamina dosso papa na sɛ Philip yɛ na no yɛ no mɛka ba menya nu no so
yɛngwura mu straight away ɛnra name says Sona the first one under JDM which is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne ba so na ensɛm na ɛkɔ so nyinaa wonim sɛ ɛyɛ den a me being a sports personal ne deɛ fast sports no ho na mani bɛgye ho paa sɛ mepɛ tie na manage how
oka so na wo confuse obi o
State of the Nation's address na unim ensama John Dramani Mahama the president editu jano
His Excellency
the president editu jano ensam na ede unse ne campaign ne messages or the man on sports nya na ede and then ensam no sa kan no utia emu ede because highlighting on the fact say or be making sure say every budget be ebe ko bia be transparent yen nya katasumu mu aso yakwa koye wi na afi na ye ba be di ye be ye ho calculations say the ensena ba abonte
for the first time I find the mehu president will give attention to details of what is going on at the sports sector.
What early days
speech now with the man no what the yemfa early days yet to details now the man the State of the Nation's address you know I'm not here to say well pay attention to what is going on in the sports sector.
Yeah, that's very true. Until I make us say ensemnede utia you clearly feel say he knows the top to down on him the root cause anyhow or what solutions are or the best one no until ensemnede but me problem near say I me no say I don't know how truthful this thing is. The budget for the qualification, no, might $5 million be for the budget. I'm paying for the World Cup qualifications, okay. No. And tia minya say I'm paying for so actually say $5 million in the munyambe, 3 million. I don't know the deep source of that, and I say how truthful that thing is. Inti anonymous pesimi remove for now. Okay. But say if any truth be or honor, then it means that transparency na sha see because unlike at first san same when ka won shedante nkebeye assumption obi e Canadian bi very good but 2014 say Brazil no 2014 right Brazil World Cup when the president for Ghana John Dramani Mahama. I am not trying to say anything bad but I am just trying to remind us say in this situation we have been in before and the man the president for Ghana now he has been in that situation and how did he handle it? There are two aspects in this situation positive and negative. The negative negative say he has been in this situation before and how he handled it didn't go well. And the positive is say is he going to learn from DSC and Hana? Okay. And per hour me see who near me dear at least me who positivity wom and some or cano who say solutions to the problems and solutions to the problems at least he is trying to let it manifest as early as possible. Meaning what the mention is and very very good very good and how I am willing to bring the transparency and also help develop the league because so woman na clear say GFA no be make sure say ni be ko honom whatever goes on in there no be make sure say ne part ni quota to play no be make sure so be say there no and if it goes through a be boy ye pa because omonfa Barcelona omo juvenile B no there's one particular boy your friend Hafiz Gariba okay Enra, he made his debut for Barca Juvenile B. Okay. Or a centre back on Edasono. Centre back. Osashe go in the 90th minute plus. Emma Barcelona Juvenile B ni ball draw. This is a player unknown what developed as an academy boy. At me do this stage. Let's not go on Edasono. Let's not forget. Unim say Kopima Barcelona. Omapamu coach. Papa friend Sanchez. No, they know hono. Also no you so drew. And a branch friend Abdulaziz Issa. The new one no. The likelihood say Aziz Issa benya a chance to play no. Very high. And it's why all I'm trying to highlight and bring all up and say ye niko Ghana football no not say of man penino so de escani room the kind of support needed ni room ye bet me rise high. Akodu baby a ye hwe say football no be si akodu they say RS Bekan the game or money with that bebo no so what prize money say na say winning bonus mpanyimfo dey ato dey ma each player without the mpanyimfo say omutimi win that game against RS Bekan in Ghana cities na make amen kokon music asembia in Ghana cities no o player bia no ebenya 84,000 Ghana cities 840 in just one game 840 million old Ghana cedis. And how would class be able to do that in Ghana here? The support needs to come, the GFA needs to put their fees down. Everyone that needs to play a quota needs to do it very well and send it mirrorize it to this level. So for me I think it's a very good early days yet Mesa can be but you see the science near very very good. Okay. Now my main can same way. Na debi one mami hu a na he mesre you see some people believe say Rigobert Song on the Central African Republic coach on some problems aba between on the Central African Republic na say say no ka say 8 months down the line omuntu anaka on the assistant coaches ni na papa friend Sebastian Minye any Raymond Kala omunye into omoka. And Ghana for issue in Babonten, there are some people in Ghana here who feel happy. At the year, or fire first chest so World Cup qualifiers now. Once the Central African Republic, no more game. Yeah. The last World Cup qualifier, a boy in the under Otuado, was it? It was Otuado. Yeah, it was Otuado. Yeah, very good. It was Otuado. Yeah, about 4-3. Against a Central African Republic, and we know say Ghana performance nature than ye. Until matches that whole my bonini. Central African Republic is part, and people have started jubilating. So and Eman Kuyemo Musi and Ababwa had destabilize omo. Wabra ye kwakoshi omo no. But maybe problem na money Mr. say why do you think about someone meanwhile who jada would ufi? Say me no me no we eja da me fie na mo say janso da ofie na me fence wo afri me fie abedu mu wuja it doesn't happen you see how it is it doesn't happen but many ni hontia anka ebe wura mu wo super zone as yeah o we che on makotwe na ba wo yeah that's very true and me no mungamu and me no mungamu entina me catch us o your ba na se wutie mi asese de o e ma no wo mu na tan wo mu kunu machi
ɛma mɛma no timi bɔ bra o dwabe wura bank sɛ bra yɛ ma o ɔba pa loan wate ase no ɔba pa loan no ɔmo se ɛma ɔmo yɛ adwuma wɔ recognized institutions ɔmo se bra bɛgye bosia bumpa fata wuku n'akyi eti dwabe deɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmo aba ma awareɛ ba bɛyɛ dɛ etu yɛ ɔba na sɛ wutie mi a kɔne kɔgye ɔba pa loan fata bɛrima n'akyi wate ase adwuma na wɔyɛ wɔ institution a yɛ recognized by Republic of Ghana no ɛwɔ so wosɛ nya another business wɔde bɛ tie bɛrima n'akyi dwabe ama Ghana ha yɛ dɛ wate ase nti woyɛ ɔbaa wutie mi a kɔpɛ sɛ sika wo bi fata wo kura akyi na wode adanseɛ ɛnso ɛde bɛba na ɔmo de fixed deposit bi aba yɛfrɛ no ahotɔso pa wate ase na ahotɔso pa no nyɛ sɛ bi a masa wode wokɔ akɔyɛ saa deposit no na ɔmo so biribi asi nti aka wo sika ne dabi dwabemfoɔ se dabi wo sika ne da hɔ a ne da hɔ wokora no wobɛtumi asa yusu no afei wasa de agye loan anaasɛ collateral loan wobɛtumi asa agye wate ase dwaben deɛ ei adeɛ a ɔmode ba Ghana ha na no ɔde ho ɛna afei wɔmo se wo a woyɛ bodwabodwa ɔmo sɛ sɛ bra wate ase nyɛ sɛ bi a wode sika bi ba bɛto hɔ ansa de ama wo loan dabi ɛno ne sɛ wo bi account ɛwɔ dwabe rural bank ne ama wo loan na wotuatua no kakrakra na wotu susu no kakrakra wei wompɛ wei a ka moto na wopɛ anaa kɔdwabe rural bank na afei ɛno mo nkɔdi dwuma mepatwɛ mo namba no nie frɛ mo sisiɛ na gyenkyerɛ mu 0271 40 93 40 ɛyɛ simple 0271 40 93 40 dwabe rural bank ɔmo yɛ super ɔmo yɛ heavy ɛdwe so bonwerɛ dwaben atimatim ɔnwe afei Roman Hill magazine ɛna afei sipeti mpo mu fomɛswa ɛne adesema nyinaa bɛhu dwabe rural bank ɔmo bɔ adwuma pa apostle mpatwɛ what saying bibi abɔkɔ deɛ nyɛ na matwe waba ɛnsɛm ɔmampani de ato dwa yi bibi abɔkɔ nyɛ na matwe waba ɛnsɛm ɔmampani de ato dwa yi mpɛ sɛ menyɛ ɔtek wɔ ho
well Odim the point is that anka we any news we anka ya da but he decided to do it first of all Ghana for sika national teams no Ghana for there FA hwesu ama Ghana for
okay
anti se obi oma otuato e wo kejetia anankran na odi ye boabo sika no de bawa eso bonkunta e man crofo no sa na etie
okay
and can you but it's because over the fourth April during the time of the situation where you can say you publish the Black Star budget ya magana for who near womb and but I can normal circumstance ideally
apostle I know
sa kwan no so near CFA sebeu se me ma sika sefa ko di djuma bia se me hu ni odi kwakoye
okay
uwie so I saw church bu kire me so basically it's about no credit pepe you're in a budget. I mean, but for me, a good developer and a step in the right direction. Now, the Minister of Sports is on making sure say near DH, and it's not only Black Stars, all national team. Okay. All national team are buying their funding in here.
Okay.
Now I say a team, so I say I've been involved in Black Star budgeting, not once, not twice. Near my call Black Star budget yaka but no crebizo and any answer never public. So get this thing clear. Yes.
Omampeni say before the budget will be accepted, give us the details of the budget.
I'm saying the details
for Ghanaians to see into it.
Say about 90% of the details will be published, but some cannot be published.
Just say we are being corrupted.
Corrupt way.
Because 10% don't
say Oman Peninsula 2013 no president. You go have boy any Burkina Faso. What did you see? Can that be put in a public domain?
Yeah, of course.
Maybe so then the match against Burkina Faso semi-final AFCON 2013 and then of course
a two parties is
I have maybe some questions be patches. I mean we
there be so some question.
Match na cause saying
match na ko yi me the minim our pet so what happened?
Yeah, we referee Slim Jadidi and then Kafi and then
yeah baneno
because of sorry a bomb pint in a baneno.
There be match na odi eni tra.
I didn't in a baneno. No be the match I didn't in my baneno.
Kafi say match ni je referee.
E dey ma ye banning referees.
Kafi say match ni e jere nsem odi favor.
E jere nsabo okrabo na jere nsem. So what it means to say last me can say me chiro ye mo niema influencing football outcome. So I'm saying that I am awful, but enye bibia get this clear. military budget won't Ghana military budget da. Won't US a probably military budget da. Listen, we are so enthusiastic. Me see a right direction. Ever putting FA on their toes. But the budget itself in the first place, prepared by the FA, presented to the ministry, and then the ministry forward to the presidency.
Okay.
Yeah, especially when it comes to the World Cup and a cup of this. So me see a year a bet ma sebiu near maybe a ebia near the ashim na ya chedi. Se see an ebededi. But no corner misa catch on say nye bibia so na can be published. So that can also no baby maybe if the ministry and the presidency will decide say the confidential payments and it's normal in tournament.
Between the Ashim and others. So 10%.
Sometimes you don't want the public to know there's others because when they want to peruse others, that's about and then the more number to be but you work on it.
Okay.
So they say. Yeah. So for me, like I said, it's a step in the right direction. By NT, as you say, this is the first time we have a situation where it will be published publicly. Yeah. But ANA FA prepares the budget, send it to the ministry, and then don't forget the spending officer is also from the ministry.
Okay.
So tournament spending officer no be more take $50 per diem way.
Oh, yes. So have done. I represent you in person.
Yeah. So I'm saying that yes, Ghana for be who niema sebi echo the Black Star budget. And no credit amalo. The recent we have considered in terms of the ministers going to parliament and even account for it, it's been appalling.
Yeah.
What do you say? Auntie, I obey here says no credit baby.
Okay.
But then I'm putting everything about 90%, but then everything operational activities or cost.
Okay.
And operational activities into budget. That's what the American military budget, Ghana military budget own that.
No.
So it's any BBR never to public. So that's very, very important to know. And yeah, counsel no. Yeah, very careful. Prince come about Brazil. I don't have the time. But Prince Brazil, there are a lot of things that happen that the journalists don't even know. There are a lot of things. Brazil, a lot of things happen. A lot of things happen that the journalists don't know. A lot of things. I mean, what led to the money delaying has nothing to do with the president. But later, yes, I'll remember.
I also in your time now.
Yes, I remember. I'll be
into details. What really happened with Brazil?
I'll play. The only thing I can say is that the president should have been tougher.
Okay.
Yeah, but in Crawford, it's just like when you give responsibility out to you, now want me the backstop at me.
Okay.
But Sikano was ready as at 25th of May. Read my lips, 25th of May.
Wow.
But how he didn't get there is something we'll explain later.
Okay.
Now to Black Sunday, non-American. America.
Okay.
Because they knew who mommy.
Yo.
The idea. Jojo. Jojo. Listen, this are Crawford Effie. You need to be consulting. Yeah. Because of the experience, enormous experience. One of the players I love a lot, our league, Jojo. And when it comes to his ability as a goalkeeper, exceptional.
Yeah.
And the years no ball Ash Gold. Ash Gold twice. Remember Asante Kotoko. Or boy Busunya drop Azakes twice. And then the national team 2006, Ghana, South Africa, Joburg, Matthew Amwa, Asian goals, World Cup qualifier.
Yeah.
That was in 2005. That we played the Idol 2006 World Cup qualifier. When was that game? We are goalkeeper, that's the height you want to be.
Yeah.
Your national team playing a qualifier, you live out the expectation.
Yeah.
So yeah, say, Bobby and John Pearson, John Mensah, they're great team that they have. So, what ball league nature? So Kasafa Ghana League, you need to pay attention.
Okay. Yeah.
Or see one Exodus. Exodus, your players do don't free Ghana. Omo nyamre enche eko amano ni ana Africa baby. Na Exodus na send me back up. Sikano.
Scano.
The Exodus untimi prevent Exodus baby.
Okay.
Nemum esubetia na yaketia pa ayemo.
A typical example here. Last time, player also renew the contract. Makotoko Hiska.
Yeah.
Na kotoko
yes. TP Mazembe.
You're free. TP Mazembe.
Yeah. TP Mazembe. Dr. Ekisabu. Yes, those are the hard facts. Untimi ntuyaneka. Untimi retaining. tie soko okay now players no so nche wa kakra omo ye mostly quarterly or half baked into your kwa enkofa GCB offer an academy ya titting here like a right to dream who they are here or wafa and no yanya botre titu ye and no almost just we are ready for take off and sana yamawa ko top league and no more no jelano who free and no alcohol they are being for the tough competition in Europe but we know one on being here onya one season be akoye kakra ma no etu kwan onya ready into your kwano asamba
the knowledge in football no form
e wo fam say nyam prepare no wie for that take off
okay
what they say sponsorship zero from FA from clubs and the we no bet to aso sa e come so man no and the no yeah okay players go wo show odun kwan show ni fusion for ni nuanu be 4-5 ni mama kan ni papa kan will be at 7-8
okay but that's it Philip
maybe apostle this year no that is where I want to take off Exodus bandwagon. It is one major problem most of the African countries face. Very few countries are and then who say your comparative analysis of the CAF Champions League and the Confederations Cup. Why not Omotaji Confederations Cup and the Champions League? The North Africans, because over the sub-confederations in Africa, the best sub-confederation is North. I think UNICAF. They are the best sub-confederation in Africa. Algeria, Morocco, Egypt, Tunisia, they are the best in Africa. And I'm also like in the currently we call Hilal Sudan. We have projects at Sudan Al Hilal here. We are and the recent Champions League now boy you know. Club the group na Al Hilal a womb still Hilal qualify you know me and then because of the civil unrest the political unrest in Sudan they are now playing in Mauritania in Nouakchott that's where they are playing but then no one league you know is getting the best of talents just recently South Africa Mamelodi Sundowns are player a talent from Argentina enrich here and there is an Argentine player from Mamelodi Sundowns and then Lucas Ribeiro from Brazil. So Exodus bandwagon, no, it is something we can never stop.
In fact, they have Marcelo Allende from Chile.
Marcelo Allende,
and then of Nancy Celes from
Brazil. Yes, Celes from Brazil.
Gaston Sorino, Uruguay, but he's now gone to Chile.
Sorino, yeah. And so we are comparative analysis. Those years now, Koroko, how to focus more on where dominant force. No, because someone says Stephen Odro how many seasons? Gordon Ablademo, they played like offers and they reject those offers because those times you know football no na any business but no if it is no money brat what dream if it is no money and then anything we are doing until they be America say bibia wo ye bia na iska edwuma ye kra iska bra it is money
what's that
ye kra say iska
na what do na what
but iska apostle tell I didn't come straight e iska na isa edwuma ye kra
there's apostle ni ono nim say iska say no whatever we are doing is money we are the drive so ufie mbegbu a iska ese unye ska so players no are driven by money but apostle made a very good point a solid one. Now most of our players you know omo make a movement be a panic move and those panic move you know the probability say be far low than probability say emfa probability say emfa no very high. Most of our players ultimately GD normally at a point players are most top scorer in Ghana Premier League or call outside Pena Aquaira. Jojo is one of the goalkeepers. I think I saw country country bia Yenni and a lot of respect for your heroes. Okay. It's not worth dying for. And George Kigalio,
solid guy.
And during the time, look at the plethora of talents. Aunyaye, Richard Olekinson, Samia J. And Jojo was part of the team.
Yeah.
And then one department are very inconsistent area of goalkeeping.
Okay.
The last 5 years, Chemi goalkeepers are the Black Stars. From Jojo Wallacott, Manaf Nuruddin, Richard Ofori, a lot. But Omunyina so no compare the quality to George Owa,
because me, I witnessed George Owa from Mazakes to Kotoko and all the teams I was. What I say, I remember Apostle Bekai one goal. George this said George Owa, Kotoko Azakes. Now George is at the center of the field, and who said George Owa a pick a crowd. Oh, Peja.
So surprising.
Yes, Jojo didn't sack
try to parry.
Even at the center.
But also show the quality of Oka Joe Autry.
Yeah, Joe Autry.
The exceptional quality of Joe. Because Joe, don't forget that even 1993.
Yeah.
Kodoko final, Joe Autry was a key member of
so meaning say the field vision also.
Yeah, of course.
Joe Autry.
The field vision.
Maza.
So meaning say he can read the game from far.
Masa, Jaja. Edin bi a masa. Your body be anka baby anka say top say as
Joe Autry.
He did same with Gophers then.
Yeah.
Before bar.
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody have gone to 2 Champions League.
So seriously, Exodus bandwagon there.
Okay.
And then omo bre pa clubness. Omo bre pa clubness.
Medamase pa na mishabo. Kulu Ghana Limited say bra me pacho say o pe hunchu capsules na o me be o ton ro bia no nsabaka bi wa wontimi nyuso ye oba wontimi nyuso ye bema wontimi nyuso ye eye Kulu Ghana Limited obunu e fo hunchu capsules na me kan fo de ma say na bi no no na me so betu so ye pa prostate no e be pa ho pan ametima ye djuma ye pa na wote adanse so ba wote ase afai Mr. Kill ye memedro na bi no no bema utrum paso wontimi mo adjuma wote Mr. Kill, a bit of a bois, Emma will libido net to my costro, or come pass or premature ejaculation or a bear 10 of the past, Emma will bema why you ding the way to my boy to my parfait, Araba Bazen, your madro, artist to me, Wama and Ma, the patro Mahifia or hot sister, a year kama, Emma Pacho Krubu Basso, or Badia Swahifia kama, Debia Basso Pano, almost the Ukro de Ma be a queer so damao, or maybe a ton of piano, who 2 capsules, and off Mr. Kill, and me patro Araba Bazeno, on Sabe Kabi, a year Kulu for the Diapa, me patro, so Pedu to a Munin Kobo, 0244 275 429 0244 429 Eya homa betuma fre Kulu Ghana Limited for no money Kobo St. Andrews SHS SMN fan to the Mr. No Pewoti and car me patro be ama oba bema no babem oba bano unya bema no wodi ko school SHS sorry no betuma twen we twen ye pa dia for the cost St. Andrews SHS na me say what dance here the beba me patro udru makasi baba wo ye cha kwan afa ni odu bia se shaba wo ba ye cha kwan dun koro fe bo ye cha kwan ana fa se wi asane so ni Accra ni nyina ye wo ho na asemfo so no ye wo rich FM abo sani mu a ana wo ba ye cha kwan e ba no ultra modern hostel and boarding facilities da wo de esuni St. Andrews what as here me patro SHS courses ni nyina ye bra na ebesua de wo St. Andrews na obetwetwa wo dance here also de bani eni nkomo 0244696911 0244696911 ya homa ubetuma first St. Andrews SHS na fe woni ye eso estimate nkomo ama bibia so etuma koye so edama me pacho ene eye adofo bi birthday the dawn kinetic from ASP David Kwabena Jima of Ankafu prison main camp and then your birthday happy birthday to you daddy you your friend the dawn kinetic anonymous or no and Egweshe ASP David Kwabena Jima of Ankafu prison or wishing a happy birthday Nyakopon Shade Pa that's a Reverend Father Jacob Adumako Tadia Parish priest of Bempenase hey nyasa gitokra Roman father for na wosawo mo so no mo de gugu so penwa no wawie what I say father happy birthday to you Nyakopon Shade Pa Reverend Father Jacob Adumako of Reverend Jacob Adumako Tadie nya Father Tadie ni what did he power Father Tadie nyasa gitokra Nyakopon sa gwono so what I say our parish priest of Bempenase Nyakopon Shade Pa Nyakopon Shano Father Tadie wachepa nyasam kitwakra today the birthday happy birthday to him Prince birthday bi ho Okay, Jacob, birthday be oh.
Mami very quick. Ellen Blessing Addison. Okay. Ellen Blessing Addison. Mama Nyameche. Or that is Otifijai. Okay. That is Takrade Fijai. And then the birthday. Okay. Ellen Blessing Addison. Your friend Mama Nyameche. And Mama Nyamike. Okay, Nyamike. Oti Fijai. That is Fijai. Nyamike. And then the birthday. My brother guy was done to. Okay. The wife, no.
Sure. Yeah. But I say, young focus Nikakra. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Yes, I'm Pachodi. Something. Hey! Something what to say?
I'm not on plan.
Man, crow, Nebum, and first will be able to be come away to the hall.
Matikata.
More fire, young queen.
Mebuma Basopa, and the say, that's one of my other Kobadia, Minya, eat you. I'm a Boma Basopa, and I'm saying I'm not a man. Where we didn't get a ETL, La Liga Batadia. Na Ghana had Yen at Mokatra, but Nina Moved, Nema Befa.
Some say no. Well, we say the House of Folk could inquire. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Okay. Hello. Good morning. Okay. Another caller. Good morning.
Latest intelligence.
More fire.
It's English for you.
Bro, for Ayawodia.
Why are you agreement of English speaking?
I don't know what you brought for who.
Nobody is born of English speaking.
Yeah, for bro for who be and to be come
except Solomon. I can't say what's the
yes, Solomon.
Latest now here.
You be able call. So who you there?
Afaba.
Me that say.
Yeah, me I don't know here.
Solomon.
Almost like you come up and you
okay.
Now, my mama baso. Now, we share up from qualifier at the year. In Enka Ghana had Enka a stadium, a Tibua, Ghana meet me qualify for no fire Babayala. And Nema and the Victorian Yenti, your Sapaja as I call a cast of stadium. Your bomb fire say, that qualification, you bet me a bomb on the Tinyako, because you're far at the Ghana. And no show my president of the nation, so if you get for football, I don't know. Only a woman who had no need to go to the nation because every year the born show me some only body almost a bono, then I'm going to have a minor, and you're young woman as a bomb. Latest intelligence is English for you.
Bro, for your audio, but I say Solomon.
Why are you agreeing to cooking?
I don't know what you brought for Solomon, but I say, Yamisha Pa. Also, Sompa and Mo, good coverage. Want to share TV this one. Way a super zone. And I get defeat to know their TV this to enjoy what you say. What a Apostle Jeffrey Asarinka, Philippine Kumsa Kobina Wateninka, Cerebro no, and have a Buantino Prince Watain, Wateninka, Cinco Di Mario, the first time in Mr. Wack, Roberto Firmino, the finisher of